2, 1. That's your cue.
Oh, it doesn't say I'm live though. It's
No,
still
we're
telling
live.
me to go live.
No, we're live.
You sure?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna go live again and see if
Wait, if you go live again, you could end it.
As it said, it says you are live now.
Oh my god.
What is going on, YouTube? And welcome back to the Trader Shop with me, T Hobbs, and of course, you know I got my man Jay Stills in the building. What's going on, brother?
What's up, everybody? Y'all don't have to deal with Hobbs. It's ridiculous.
Deal with Hobbs? You mean
Yes.
deal with you? It's a whole thing dealing with Justin. Anyway.
No, it's not.
Yeah, yes, it is. That being said, ladies and gentlemen, thank you guys so much for tuning into the shop. Please make sure you tip the barbers, aka hit the like and subscribe button, turn the notification bells on so you get notified every time we go live and or put out a video. That being said, we always are coming to the market every single day with a pre-market plan at around this time. Today, no pre-market plan. We're gonna be winging it, right? We're just gonna trade. No, I'm just playing. We didn't write a pre-market plan out, but anytime we have news like this, Justin and I usually just kind of see where the market is, and then we label our plan and we talk to the Discord about where we're looking to trade in that situation, just because time frame wise, it just doesn't really work to try to put a plan together in that time frame. But before we go any further into that, obviously it's PPI day, Jerome Powell speaking today, CPI tomorrow. But before we go any further, there's 3 ways that you guys can support the channel, right? I've already told you, 1, tipping the barbers, watching the videos, liking and subscribing to the channel. The second way is if you're already using prop firms, right? If you scroll, look on the bottom of the screen, it's scrolling all across the bottom of the screen. That's our Apex code. You know, if you look at all of the other videos we got Top Step, My Funded Futures, Take Profit, all that good stuff, right? You can use those discount codes. We get a kickback. No harm, no foul. It doesn't hurt you whatsoever. Another way you can help us out, join the Discord if you're looking for a strong community, right? Up and coming community, right? We don't plan to be gurus, right? We never say that at all, right? But we do have the ability to educate those that are struggling in the market, right? To try to get you out of that struggle and give you a little bit more insight into market structure. That price is going to be $15 per week and $40 per month. We will never hide the fact that we charge for our Discord. That's just not something we do. We always tell you up front, price will go up in the future, though, just so you know. That being said, let's jump right into what I deem to be my pre-market plan. This was my area that I was looking to short, but I'm kind of being a little bit cautious on the market. So, Justin, how you viewing the markets this morning, sir?
I don't know yet. I don't know what to make of all this foolishness.
I don't know yet.
I'm honestly, you joke, but I am really playing this by ear right now. I don't know what I want right now. Because the problem, okay, so I'll talk about ES real fast. The problem is we moved sideways yesterday or throughout the night, right? Like we didn't go nowhere. And then the market decided to make a move on horrible PPI news, which was great. We was excited. We was in the Discord like jumping around, like, yeah, the market's finally making direction. And then next thing you know, the bulls come back and like, yeah, psych, gotcha. We're coming right back into balance again. So like, I mean, I want to say that like I'm more bullish than I am bearish because the news was really bad. Like the news was really, really bad. And yet somehow buyers still found a way to take us back up. But then at the same time, it's like, we can't break above, previous structure. Like we gotta, like, if you look at the volume profile here, I mean, we literally traded overnight. Where's my, get rid of this. There we go. All right, we literally traded overnight in like a 9-point range, like 10-point range. Like that's really bad, like really bad. So like I don't know. Maybe if we start to break over pre-market highs, I can you can start looking for longs, maybe back up into the previous high of day, because we basically double topped up there on ES, and kind of like the same thing for NQ, but. It's funny because we talked about this morning too. ES and NQ are in 2 different spots structurally, which also really suck. Whenever that happens, I hate it. I like them to be somewhat similar, and they're not. like their candle structure is, but where they're at physically on the on their charts is different, and that part I'm not a big fan of. So I don't know. Like I said, I'm just playing it kind of by ear. I kind of just want to let the market develop and kind of create some moves intraday, and then I'll look to kind of trade and kind of see what we're doing. But right now, I don't have a very good bearing on the market just because this news didn't do anything, and so it kind of puts a damper on my day. So I don't know. I guess I'll kind of figure it out as we go along. But yeah, I'm definitely playing this by ear. So
yeah, I think for everybody in here, we were all kind of hoping that the CPI data, the PPI data, all of the news that we were getting would kind of bring us out of this consolidation range that we're in. But unfortunately, we just didn't get that. So therefore, we just trade structure, in my opinion, right? Like for me, it's quite simple, right? And when I say simple, it means that I'm just going to stick to what I can see, right? Right now, if I'm looking at it, I'm going to give it to you guys both ways, right? If we're looking at it from a bullish standpoint, right, nothing needs to change. Like literally, I wrote these plans yesterday and I haven't moved them, right? They're the exact same plan, except for the one that I had in the middle. This is the extreme bullish plan that I had. And we literally just tapped back into 161, right? Like we came as low as 167. I had us tapping back into 161.75. Bearish, we need to trade back above 317, right? If we can't get above 348, we're bearish. If we can't get below 161, we're bullish. Ultimately, if we zoom all the way out to the 4 hour, the reason why it's so hard for Justin or anybody else to really wrap their head around this is because the market doesn't want to come down. It's that simple, right? Like, let's not sugarcoat it. Let's not confuse it. Let's not overcomplicate it. This is the simple sweet sauce. Because all you need to know is the reason why we keep selling down and popping right back up and it gets annoying and then we're consolidating is because none of us want to believe that the market can continue to go higher, but the market's continuing to go higher. It's evident by the fact that every time we try to trade down and take a low, we immediately get bought back up, right? Do yourself a favor, zoom out to the daily chart if you don't believe me. Look at the daily and see what we just tapped back into. Only thing we did was tap back into the daily demand zone that was created May 9th, right? And May 8th, right? We swept that demand zone and popped right back up. Does that mean we're going to go higher? No, but it does mean that these buyers are willing to defend this and these sellers are willing to defend this. Therefore, we're going to remain range bound until we either break out above 348 or we break below 102. Don't overcomplicate it. When we come to the high, if we don't break the high and we change character, get short. If we come to the low and we don't break the low and we change character, get long, right? Long the lows, short the highs. We are in a freaking range. That's it. That's it. It's that simple, right? Like I too am annoyed by the fact that we're still in this range, right? But don't let it overcomplicate your day, right? Right now, the market is refusing, absolutely refusing, right? Through London, through Tokyo, right? Through PM session yesterday, right? Ever since 10 o'clock on yesterday, we have refused to trade above 312. So if we don't get above 312 today, guess what I'm gonna be looking to do? I'm gonna be looking at short, period. The bulls look extremely aggressive. The volatility index is selling down. We should be able to break this high, but we saw this same shit yesterday and we didn't break the high. So until we break the high, right, this wick looks phenomenal. This wick right here is telling me buyers want to buy. But the question is, will they want to buy when they come up to this wick over here, right? If they don't, I'm looking to short. If they do, then fine. I'll look at this area as an area that if we come back to, I'll 100% be looking to get long. To me, I'm just looking to get long at key areas when the market has exhausted itself to the sell side, or I'm looking to get short at key areas when the market has exhausted itself to the buy side, right? Today is no different. There's going to be no difference in today than any other day. The market's going to go up and it's going to go down. It's just us as humans, we have to check our emotions at the door, right? And realize okay, the market's not going to do what I want when I want today. And maybe I miss a couple moves, but where can I participate in price, right? When the market gets there. That's all. That's our only job as traders, right? Everything else is noise, right? Don't let what happened this morning, right, ruin your entire day of trading, right? Just trade what you see. That's it. Right now we're in an uptrend, right? Volatility index going straight down, right? The stock market, right? Let's go over here to the stock market. Stock market pushing up, finding buyers. ES pushing up, finding buyers. We know what's happening, right? Like, we don't want to believe it because I don't want to believe it, but we know what's happening, right? Ask yourself this: is the market bullish or is the market bearish? The daily is bullish, the weekly is bullish, the 4 hour is bullish, the 1 hour is bullish, the 15-minute is bullish. So why would I think anything other than the market is bullish? We're in consolidation. We traded, we broke through structure, and we look like we need to come back up and retest this area. That's why I got this purple box right here. And I want to see if the bears can defend this. If they can defend this, I want to participate in shorting the market, right? That's it. Simple, plain, easy, guys. Let's not overcomplicate it and make it more than what it is, right? Like, because the fundamentals we can't control. We can't stop these efforts from buying, right? Like, we can't stop them from selling. The only thing we can do is react to price and what price is doing. And what price is doing right now, we know that we have a change of character with this big dumbass fucking candle right here. Like, this is a closure below multiple lows, right? That's why I'm bearish up here. And I'm bearish to go take out these lows back down to 167, right? But I'm not bearish until I see a change of character inside of this current trend. If this trend wants to keep going, I'm cool with that. Then I'm gonna be bullish right here, right? So that's it. That's all that's my rant over. By the way, if you bought AMC yesterday, congratulations. That thing's up $10 from where we called it out at $2.93 yesterday. And GME hit $82 this morning, or $80 this morning from $19. And no, I did not get in. But yeah, that thing is sending. So we also are on GameStop and AMC watch.
Yeah, and then just in some other news, god damn, fucking markets trying to send right now. So ES, I know a lot of us don't trade ES, but just a little tidbit here. ES is going on its 9th day straight closing green. Just so everybody knows, like I was in a live stream the other day, and the streamer mentioned it. He was like, "Yeah, so ES has been green for 8 straight days," and I was like, "Wait, what?" And then I looked, I was like, "Oh shit, he's right!" Like ES has literally closed green for 8 days, trying to go for 9 days. The last time this happened was over here in December. In December, we closed 9 straight days of green before finally getting a pullback. So I don't know what the record is for green days in a row, but it's looking like we're probably going to get another green day. Just looking at this wick, we did reject this area twice and kind of double top, but it looks like we're going for it again. So as we continue to put in this rally and go for this all-time high on ES, just know we've been rallying for 8 straight days green. We haven't got that on NQ. On NQ, we got a break of red right here, barely. Stupid NQ. It's supposed to follow ES, but whatever. But yeah, so either way, we've been extremely bullish, and I mean, just looking at these candles on the daily, we're looking even more bullish today, just because of that CPI or that PPI number bringing us all the way back down, and us still finding buyers. I think Hobbs is right. The one thing, and I mean, I was kind of saying it too, but like the one thing that you got to look at is like what's going on right now is we're rallying, we're coming back up, right? Like we pretty much sold off just to come right back to where we started. There's only one or two things that's going to happen. Either A, we're going to, let me go to a 5 minute because Charlie's horrible. A, we're going to push above the catalyst and stop out all of the shorts, which is likely. Or B, everybody who's bullish, who's getting in late up here, are going to end up getting trapped and we're going to come lower. So I don't know what's going to happen, but right now, my only two things I can do is either like play a break and retest if we do end up getting very, very bullish, or I can just try to play the short on the way down. Like those are really my only two options right now. And I don't know. I don't know which one I
What
don't.
other
I'm
what
not
other
favoring
options?
either one.
What other options do you normally have?
Oh, to just to not trade at all.
You basically every day you have the option to buy or sell. I think you be trying to like mentally
Well,
overcomplicate things. Like, I don't know if I
no,
want to play a
I
break
mean
and
those are
retest
those
or do I want to
not
short the market.
overcomplicating it,
What
but
other options do you have?
well, no, I mean those would be my two setups. Would either play the break and retest of this area, or to see if there's trap traders to play the market short. I'm just saying my two
Or
setups.
when we take that high, just wait for the market to pull back or short it down to the pullback, right into that low, and then long it at the low.
Oh, I think if we break this, we're not coming back down to here.
That's not the low that I'm talking about. The low that I'm talking about is the one that will be validated once we break that swing high, which is the one that we're currently creating right now. The validated low will be a break of the high right there.
So you're talking about playing a break and retest?
No, that's not what I said. A break and retest would be we break the high, we come back down and test the high, and then you take the market long. What I said was a pullback. I said if you break the swing high, then you could short it back down to the low, the validated low, which is basically where VWAP is right now, right? And then you could long it back up after it sweeps that low. There's a difference between the two. A break and retest refers to the break of the high or the break of the low, and then shorting or longing off that point. It's not the same thing. But Mr. Pot Scraper says above 18,301 is deep premium, so I'm bearish. Yeah, I'm with you on 301, man. 301 to roughly about 312, we just haven't been able to get above, right? Like we just all night we haven't been able to get above that. So I'm looking at the same thing. I'm looking at the same area. I like 290, 250 as well. Kind of where we are right now, coming into this macro pretty bearish, or we're coming into this macro pretty bullish. Therefore, I want to see what we do at the open to potentially short the market up here. So we'll see what happens. No trades today. Gonna be for me, gonna paper trade. I don't like news at all. I know, bro. I know it sucks, but you know we got to get used to it. Like the market's gonna do this every single time, right? We can't run from it. We just make good out of it. You know what's going on, Hayes? Me too. Got my daily go this morning. Paper trading today. Okay, dope. And good morning to Bray, PD, Micaiah, John, and Boyd. I already posted you guys' comment. Oh, and good morning, Chi-Town in the building. Top of the top. I posted you guys' comments while Justin was talking or whatever. I didn't want to interrupt by saying good morning to everybody. But yeah, I mean, at the end of the day, like we just trade what we see, man. Like let's not overcomplicate trading. Like it's not simple by any means whatsoever. But I think like sometimes we can get in our head by, you know, making a news day so much more important than what it is. Like ultimately, all the news does is speed up the algorithm. That's it, right? The market was probably going to sell down and sweep this liquidity anyway. It just needed a catalyst to get down there faster, right? And that's all the news day did, right? It accelerated everything, right? As we start to trade down, the open is at 920, so I want to see what we do here. I don't want to short here just yet because I like to see us push down a little bit and then sweep this high, right? Coming back into roughly about 296 to 302, and then look for a short if we can break structure here. So that's kind of how I'm looking at this, looking at trading this on NQ. I think this will be like that shoulder that we always sell early, right? And then next thing you know, the market sweeps your liquidity at open, and you're like, oh my God, that's so surprising. Like, no, it doesn't do that. It's gonna do it every day. But yeah, let's see if we can get that. If we can get that, I'll be interested in that trade. I'm not interested in taking it here though. I'll wait. Looking pretty bearish on the tape too. Let's see what happens. I'd love to see a sell-off on a day where the VIX actually sells off too. Like that would be awesome. ES is tapping into daily fib at 5248.75 as well, which is another bearish area that I'd be looking for. You can see them kind of side by side here. Yeah. So this is where all that consolidation from London, Tokyo, right? It all stopped here at the daily fib. So it's going to be really important for ES to trade back above 5248.75. If not, I'm anticipating more selling coming from this market.
Yeah, it looks like ES is already retesting that high compared to NQ.
Yeah, NQ's just a little bit above the daily fib, but yeah, they're both finding it hard to break above that 50% level. PPI revisions giving this market a little boost. Oh, did they revise it? Is it different from what they initially put out? Because the initials were bad. Like, bad. Oh, and then Jerome Powell speaks at 10 o'clock. So in about the first 20-30 minutes of the market open. So
yeah, I think they revise it.
I thought they revised it after, or is it this is the revision from the last time? Maybe that's what it is.
I don't know.
All right, there's the pullback. We just broke below this little bit of structure that we built at 283. Pulling back down, probably tap back into 267 or 260. I like to see that close. Right now, we're still in bullish character. Well, we just flipped to bearish character on a smaller time frame, but we're inside of bullish character, right? So if we're going to remain bullish, you want to see price hold 50% of that previous high and low at roughly 283.75 or 263.75, sorry.
Yeah, this might be coming down. These buyers are looking weak up here. But we'll see.
Looks like we're creating a new downtrend too. It's like we tap, if you draw a trend line from where we fell, right into where we are. It's like literally like a perfect start of a downtrend. You see it?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Boom, 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 boom.
Mr. Potscripper said, I'm bearish. I'm the indicator.
I'm bearish. Is that what he said? I'm bearish. I'm the indicator. The winger stretch? What? Oh, wing it strategy? We just gonna wing it today. He said, I like that wing it strategy. I was telling you.
He said, I'm gonna go cry under the bed. The daily is green, but my heart is red.
Bro, the daily is so bullish, bro. Like the weekly is so bullish. But again, this is bullish and bearish territory, is what I was trying to relay. Like you could literally right now, until we break out of this range, the thing to do is just play both ways, but don't play in the middle, right? Like don't dibble dabble in the middle. That's where you don't want to be. This is where I don't want to trade until we come up to the previous high, right? I think we sweep this, right? And then I'll be looking to trade short if the market provides that opportunity. Right now, we're still in bullish territory, right? The market could just be pulling back to go much higher right now. And I ain't stepping in front of these bulls after they just got refueled down there at the low. Like, will not happen until I see a reason to do so.
Yeah. Chicago, I think it could be choppy. It could be choppy before he goes on, but once he starts talking, there'll probably be some decent moves. They're just waiting on Powell. Yeah. I'm neutral, only sells. I am taking if we sweep 315 and show me something. Yeah, I think for me, I'm just gonna chill out. I'm gonna wait until probably Powell, probably like the middle of Powell speaking is probably when I'll start to kind of look for opportunities. I think that's kind of where I'm at right now. Just gonna be patient.
Oh,
you know, I wonder how much money the Fed makes from their YouTube channel. Like, what do they do with that money from YouTube? Ever think about that?
the question is their YouTube channel popping though? Like, is they
the
channel
Fed
popping or
speech
not?
got 17,000 views.
Not a lot though. Right? That's a lot, but it's not a lot for like the Fed, right? Like, you would think that they would get millions of views, right?
Yeah.
My Chicago Bear, his ass in the kennel. Remember last time I let him out during open, I was scrubbing the floor. So I walked him 3 times this morning and he didn't poop yet. So until he poops, he's not allowed in my office. 5 months. Exactly. Matter of fact, I think I hear him whining right now, which sucks because he always starts whining at open.
FOMC conferences last year was going crazy. March 2022, FOMC.
Oh yeah, that was an FOMC. That was that other thing that they go talk at that I got smoked on.
Oh no, that was the I know what you're talking about. Nah, this is I'm looking at the channel right now. Their highest viewed video was from like 12 years ago, but they got one from last year that got 50K views. But I mean, they're monetized. They got 300,000 subs. You know, they're making money. Whoa.
All right, failure to buy up there at 285 again. Looks like we're changing character here. I just want to give the open a chance.
Bringing the bell at open.
Just sweep the high.
Finance YouTube channels don't need millions. They can rack up 20K a month real easy.
Well, I'm talking about the current. Yeah, we went straight. Well, we were already at the high though, at 302. That was the level we. Oh, you thought we were gonna go to the high? Yeah. I would have liked that. Me too.
Chicago Sean said, "Hey Hobbs, give us another speech so we can get the market moving."
Another speech? Yeah, talking about. Oh, y'all want a speech? Y'all feel like every time I do a speech, the market start moving? Fuck yeah, I ain't doing no more speeches.
Jesus, okay.
I know, right? I'm gonna be giving speeches yesterday.
Fair value gap is showing me 930 might dump, or I'm gonna cry under the bathtub. Are you short or something? I'm the indicator. 930
traded today. That 5-minute candle looks very bearish on the retest at 291. It looks very bearish. I just want to give the open a chance to sweep the high. If the open doesn't sweep the high and it goes straight down, I just missed the move. That's fine. But we might have swept the high at 291. Buyers got really trapped up there on the tape too, but I want to see that aggressive selling come from that area. Yeah, 311, 312 is that shit is like the ultimate boss right there. I know. That's where you got out of your trade. Damn, these bulls, they just bought a shit ton of my tape calls.
So I'll come back when the market's regular.
Yeah, I'm gonna give this first macro a shot, but damn, you good over there, Smoker Jones? Who's that? Justin?
That wasn't me. That was definitely Jonah. What?
All right, here comes the sweep. Let's see if we sweep this high and go higher, or we're gonna sweep this high to dump. Let's see.
Ryan said, "What's the sermon for market open today, peeps?" The sermon.
I got that.
The sermon is go long. Apparently, Mr. Pot Scrapers. We gonna find Mr. Pot Scrapers under a tub here in a minute.
All right, this is the level that I'm looking for shorts right here. I want to see how we act at 292.
There's some impressive selling going on right here. That's for sure. Go long or go home.
Yeah, Powell is at 9.
Yeah, he speaks in 30 minutes. Looks like this uptrend is trying to continue here. It's gonna be purple. It's always purple.
Yeah, I'm like, yeah, I don't think we have a poll on his color tie anymore because it's no fun. It's always purple.
I've not seen him wear a different color tie the past like few months. It's been purple every single time.
That's definitely Jonah Coffin. Nah, that's Jonah. He said, all right, fine, I'll take it.
A lot of selling going on up here at this high right here. A lot of selling. Yeah, I think we holding this to go higher. There's a ton of selling that just hit the tape. The market did not move lower. We'll see though. Custom said, so I was checking out Flexi Trade again last night and I realized my 50K account was still active and I had never used it. So I spent the same quality of time connecting it to Quantower. Nice. I've never heard of Flexi Trade before.
Yeah, I saw a little bit about prop firms, some prop firms going down yesterday too.
Was it a Forex prop firm or was it a futures prop firm? Well, that makes sense. Forex prop firms are going down left and right. Futures prop firms haven't hit a casualty yet. All right, here comes some settling. PD set up short again, 328. It's a good short.
328. We ain't go to 328.
Yeah.
Go to 328.
He might be
again, 292 was that level. Again, I'm short 281, but I wanted 292. We just came down so damn fast. But this is the area that I was looking to get short and target the lows that we just came in. I gotta walk the dog. I ain't got time to be here. So. Dixon's starting to get aggressive here.
Mr. Pot Scraper says news Powell talks, but 9:30 10:30 is usually my window of opportunity. I don't trade when they're all that is going on. Yeah, futures is regulated. Yep, hoping. Yep, Forex prop firm got us tripping. Yeah, they keep going down. It's ridiculous. Lots of Forex prop firms allow U.S. traders to trade US 100, which is illegal for us. Oh, really? I didn't know that. Why is US 100 illegal? We talked about Flexi Trade back in March on the channel for a minute. Oh, did we? I don't remember. March was so.
Yeah, I remember. I was like, "That's a really weird name."
It is a really. I thought about that too. I was like, "Man, Flexi Trade is a zesty ass name.
Trade, what?
That's zesty as hell." Really good defense there by the Bears.
Defense by the Bulls too at the low.
Yeah,
came on the 1 minute.
That too.
They're being aggressive.
It's made for other countries, not U.S. traders. So then, is it the NAS 100 then for U.S. traders? 550K. Oh, what? 550K accounts for $85. It's not bad at all. Custom. Well, that's it. That's a good
for $85.
Yeah, 550K is for $85.
Dang.
Oh, I do remember you talking about that package thing. Okay. I remember. Just rang a bell. Yeah, CFDs are illegal for the US. What does CFD stand for again?
I don't know. Bro, they are complete polar opposites. Look at ES and then look at NQ.
Yeah, ES is trying to sell down.
ES is trying to sell down. NQ up here trying to take this damn high. Look at these buyers, bro. They like jumping jacks. Yeah. Fucking jumping jacks. Every time we come up there, it's like, every time we try to sell down, it's like, no, get your ass back up there. Get back up there. The VIX is still pushing up to 85. So let's see what happens. Let's see if we actually take the high.
Shay's letting us know that they just halted AMC stock.
They just halted it? Yeah, it's at $12 right now, $11.48.
Yep. AMC and they halted GME.
GameStop is all the way back down to 57. It's in a downtrend right now.
Yeah, they're probably gonna hold a lot of those. Probably all of them.
Yeah.
And they got it.
All right, I'm stopped out at that high right there. Yeah, I got short at 81.
We can only trade NQ, not US 100. They're kind of the same, but prices are different. What's the difference between US 100 and the NAS 100, or are they the same? Contract for difference because every broker trading CFD's got a different price. Yeah, I knew that part, which I think is really weird. Honestly, it's like crypto. It's pretty much like crypto. So exactly like crypto. US 100 is Nasdaq, but for other countries. Oh, okay. I guess that makes sense. But the NAS 100 is for the US, right? Or wrong? The short still looks good, Hobbs. I think we just swept that high. We might try to sweep it one more time.
Yeah,
I
guess
it's still
I'm
continuing
trying to get back in, but I want higher prices. I think we might try to sweep this high first.
Yeah.
I still like the short here. I'm not giving up on the area. I just want to see a little bit more confirmation. Maybe we come up and sweep that high. But we're still putting in higher highs and higher lows. So until that stops, I'm just gonna stay out of their way.
Yeah. Okay, I'm right. The NAS 100 is for the US. And US, okay. So then why are they letting people trade the US 100? And it's pretty much the same. That sounds stupid. That sounds like a dumbass mistake. Some movement, same candles, different prices. Right. 18,328 come through. Yeah, you gotta be PD. You gotta be trading Forex. This is why people like brokers that's not in the US, so they can. Oh, I get it, Mr. Pot Scrapers. That makes complete sense. Okay. I understand now. Yeah, but even futures prop firms don't have to pay you. They have it in like their agreements or whatever. A lot of hidden shits in there to like try to cover them. You know. Imagine making 30K and getting paid through crypto. Yeah. That does suck because then yeah. Nah, bro, futures much clean with the price action. I mean, young Pat, I agree, but I mean they're both the same. The only difference is that you don't gotta worry about slippage, and you don't gotta worry about like different prices for the instruments because it's just one instrument. So that makes life a lot easier.
They putting up at
I see it at 300.
311.
Yeah.
They are loading that shit up there, bro. That's the same thing they had going on yesterday. The question is it there to sell the market, or is it there so the buyers can take it?
The manipulation, because the manipulation is real broker can manipulate candle wicks like crazy. Yes, I have heard. I have heard that the Forex prop firms manipulate a lot and give bad fills and a whole bunch of other stuff that you can't do on futures. Trading Yoga Girl says, "Good lesson, just stay professors after market and evening." Thanks, Trading Yoga Girl. Professors. Void says, "Offshore broker can control the wicks, but not the candle body." That's nuts. Looks like they let that liquidity go at 300. They're continuing to try to push this market.
Yeah, they're trapping sellers. That's all they're doing.
Not to mention, ES is continuing to push as well. It is not backing down. So looks like bulls are kind of taking control of the market. Yeah, for now. Ms. Potscraper says U.S. prop firms is regulated, but since it's a prop firm, it's kind of a gray area. But if you trade it as a legit business, we'll better pay Uncle Sam as moolah. Yeah, but I mean, there's ways to get around paying like higher taxes, because the way that they pay out is a little bit different. So like if you start like your own business through getting payouts and you funnel all your money through the business, you can get some nice tax breaks. So if you're going to trade Forex, use my funded
futures.
Yeah, I think it says my funded futures. There's the pop on NQ right there. NQ's still heading up. We're almost back up to that 15-minute supply zone that I had, but we're looking real bullish right now. Facts. Yeah. Get Wesley Snipes' account, he'll take care of it. Y'all funny. Yeah, we're continuing to push. We ran that high there on NQ, which is nice. Let's see what we do. Oh, I'm sitting over here on MES. Let me go to MNQ. You know, on MNQ now you can start it. It's so nice because now it's at the top. I don't got to go searching for my tickers anymore. That's where they thought of everything.
Are you talking about on Top Step X or?
Yeah, on Top Step X they added favorites so that way you don't have to go because there's so much stuff there. Void is short. Okay, Void. Yeah, it's not a bad short. I personally don't want to short this bullishness right now. I'd rather see something break. We're looking pretty bullish right now. But we did just run that high, so see if we get back below it. Maybe start a downtrend. And then don't forget that Powell's speaking in about 15-ish minutes or so. So I want to see.
Yes, it's found the holy grail over here. This thing is sending.
yeah. Trader Yoga Girl says I want to see 52.50 hold. Yeah, it's moving up. Yeah, the break and retest would be really nice. I like the break and retest on ES. Seeing if we can't get back. See if we can't get some expansion away from 52.50, 52.49, and then come back down and retest it. NQ is at premium. I smell a dump coming. Yeah, maybe.
I don't know.
No clue.
They don't have like an end time. They just got a start time.
Yeah, he's speaking. He's speaking at a conference, so I don't know. You just saved a brother.
It'd be crazy. So you just saved me, bro. I forgot about that damn speech.
Yeah. Be careful, y'all. He is speaking today.
Yeah, this is this 317 level was resistance all night and yesterday. So we really need to push above this level or we're coming right back down. That was a great push by the Bulls.
I know.
Let's see if the Bulls can actually push out of this trend. I mean, out of this range.
Yeah. Yesterday I was looking for 320 to get retested and never did. So.
Yeah, this is key right here. Getting above 317 will be key for sure. If not, we're just gonna come right back.
Powell about to play the script. Yeah, he might.
Look at this 15-minute candle, bro. This shit is freaking nuts.
Oh, you're right. It is. We actually created or we could be putting in 15-minute demand here. Or 5-minute demand as well. Yeah, this market is continuing to rally.
Yeah, we're about to go. That was when we didn't freaking like pull back right there. I'm like, oh, we about to go. We about to go. Oh boy.
Yeah, because we did, and we broke that little miniature like trend line. No, I didn't have that. Well, I guess I did get a third touch there, but yeah, it's looking good. The market's looking good to continue to rally. I'm not really trying to short this strength, Mr. Pot Scrapers. We better find you under. I'm gonna need you to post a picture of you under a tub.
Well, man. You better go hide from this tornado and shit.
Yeah, I'm gonna post that picture.
I took my first punch in the face and I was like, "Oh, y'all trying to go?" I said, all right. Dude, this ain't like tomorrow. This ain't like yesterday. Y'all, we ain't ranging today. Okay, let me just go get about y'all way. I'll wait. Don't trip.
He said 335 needs to be swept. We should go back. I'm the indicator.
And
look, indicators can be wrong too, bro. Indicators ain't always right.
Indicators ain't correct all the time, bro. Like, we out of here. He said, I'm the indicator. He said that earlier. He was like, I'm the indicator. We're going down. I was like, oh, okay. I'm with you. I want us to go down too. I'm just not that confident.
Hey, look. PD said he's smoking that hope.
Bro, hopium, bro. Boy, how you feeling in them shorts, man? I got out, bro. As soon as we broke the high, I said, nope. I said, I'm out. I am out of here. Yeah, this was the price action we wanted yesterday, but we didn't get it. Now we just need to trade above 48. If we can take this and run 48, we should go to 473 today. This is the target that I was looking for yesterday.
Right. Custom said Apex sent me an email blaming Ninja for the glitches, and Ninja's blaming Apex. Ninja never had any issues before I downloaded Apex crap into it, and Apex washing their hands with it. Fuck Apex. But you know what though? You know what though? I would probably blame Ninja, and the reason why I would probably blame Ninja is because Apex doesn't have any data or anything, so it's probably on Ninja Trader. They're probably going back and forth, but I don't know what you downloaded from Apex, but I don't think Apex could affect Ninja like that. I think that's a Ninja issue, if I had to guess, but whatever. We're in deep premium. Powell gonna send us under the sea? Well, maybe
under the sea.
You're already under the tub, so I guess we can.
That's Little Mermaid, bro. That's
I know. My daughter loves Little Mermaid.
Under the sea.
Void said my stop's at the high. I am cool with it. You're still in short? Yeah. When did you get in short?
This is a good
no,
short.
This is a good short right here.
This is if you're gonna get short, this is the area. Like I don't think it's a bad short. I just think the market got other plans today. I don't think the market's trying to stay in this range today. That's why I'm not shorting up here.
Well, I was just wondering when he got short. He got short at 941. So what? Did you put your stop above like the yesterday's high? You had to put your stop above yesterday's high.
Yeah, that's what
which is a good high. Yeah. That's a good area.
So if we take that ultimate high, then he's out. But what he's looking at is we're not going to get above that ultimate high. We're going to continue to trade lower. So I think it's a good short.
Yeah, the 5 minute looked good.
I think it's a good area to go short. I don't agree with the short. As far like I wouldn't put the short on. I think that this is a really good area for the market to reverse.
Yeah, for me, I think I'm reserved to if I'm going to short this market, I need to see the aggressive selling come into the market first, and then I need to play the retest.
Yeah, I'm not buying this strong pullback shit. I need to see the volatility get crushed.
Yeah, Chicago Sean with us. I would wait for the pullback, but you know how NQ plays around. Yeah, I need to see us come down. That dude singing Disney now. Yeah, he was singing Disney. Mr. Potscraper, as soon as he get on the stand, we dumping. Maybe. Timsky in the building says, "What's up, boys? Teaching my coworkers about buying the top this morning. You telling them to buy the top? About to get them boys wrecked."
Teaching them about buying the top this morning. This is crazy.
Hey, Timsky trying to make them exit liquidity for himself. He like, yeah, go ahead, buy this so I can get out. You know what I'm saying? All right, this selling's looking pretty promising. Eric Smith in the building says, "What's up, guys? What up, Eric Smith? How's it going?"
It's a trap.
Mr. Potscraper says CPI, PPI. What the hell is DPI? What the we, he, him, I'm bearish, I'm the indicator. What the hell is DPI?
They keep selling, but these mofos keep buying this shit back up. Bro, I'd be careful with these shorts today.
Yeah.
Because ES does not look like it's a short anytime soon. ES look like it's trying to take that high.
319.25. I'm just tired to focus. I gave it room, let it ride. Yeah. Yeah, we'll see what happens.
I love that 5 minute candle close though.
Yes, that's what I was looking at. That 5 minute candle close is real nice.
Mm-hmm.
I think I just want to actually see this. I need to see some selling because we did nothing but for 20 minutes straight buy this market up.
I'm cool with it short because I want to take the market long when we come back down to 277-ish.
Maybe have a nice 15-minute candle close. The 15-minute candle is looking really good for the short as well. But yeah, I need to wait. Not to mention Powell's getting on the stand in 10 minutes, so just be patient.
He's 9 minutes, Justin.
Sorry, 9 minutes. He's getting on the stand in 9 minutes. So, you know.
I just don't think today is the day to short. I think today is the day that they about to finally break out of this range. But if they don't, we're coming right back down to that high. That's it.
Well, so far they're picking up.
I just need them to get out of this range. I just need them to get out of this range. That's it. I just want to start to trade above 348. And I'll be a happy man. We can do that, and I'll be happy.
Eric said market will probably dump no matter what Powell says after he finishes. Maybe it's definitely possible.
The volatility index is juking right now. 1390. It's juking. It's up to 1390.
Yeah.
I mean, it could be just because Powell's speaking today.
So that's what I think.
Could be up just because of that.
Right now on the AMC GameStop front, everything is selling back down. I think they halted it again. I think they halted.
Yeah, it's sold down. AMC sold down to 893. Looks like it's popping back up to 924 here.
Yeah.
Down to $49 on EQ.
Yo, as soon as they started, they halted both of them. As soon as they started buying it up, they halted it.
Mm-hmm.
I hate them so much.
Shady.
It's so bum. Well, they're trying to they halted so they can refigure the options contracts because they're trying to squeeze pennies out of people. Well, more than pennies, but that's why they halted so they can redo the options. This is looking real good for shorts though. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna short it because of the news and the volatility, but it looks like it is starting to look pretty good for shorts. But I'm just gonna sit on my hands.
What makes it look good? What makes it look good for shorts to you?
I like the last 1 minute candle that we got. I don't like the way that this NQ. I don't like the way that last 1 minute candle close that we just got, but just looking at the tape, I'm just not seeing as much buying up at the high, and there's a good amount of selling coming down at the low, so that's why it looked good.
At 320.
Yeah, 320. Yeah, I'm just not seeing the buying up there. I'm seeing more aggressive selling. Yeah, NQ head and shoulders at resistance, 5 minute grid. Yeah, I see. Yep, I see all of that. It looks good. I'm just not willing to put the risk on the table with this being so close to Powell and it being everything else.
I'm looking at it a little different. I'm just looking at 306 as the low, and every time we come down to 306, there's more buying. I see a lot of liquidity being added at 300 to the buy side to continue to support price up there. I think that we will sweep this low, but I don't think it's to go higher. I don't think it's to go lower. I think it's to go higher.
Yeah.
So I'm waiting on a sweep of this low to go long.
Nah, I definitely see what you see too. I see that's why I said I didn't particularly like the candle close we got at 953, and I don't like the candle close we got at 954. But I do see on the tape that we're not the buying doesn't seem very aggressive right now, like you would like to see after these wicks. I just see more selling.
Yeah.
That is a good short. Yeah, I think it's a potentially
I think it's a good area to get short for sure. I just don't want us to come down and come all the way back down. That's gonna drive me nuts, right? Like, yeah. I'm inclined to believe that the market is bullish right now. If the market goes down and takes that low, I'm over today already. I'll be like, come on, man. Come on. Like, I'm leaning toward the fact that we're bullish. Don't fuck this up, market. Like, don't do this. Okay. I understand that 326 is resistance from May 13th. Right? Like, I understand yesterday's high, we haven't gotten above yet. So that also gives me cause to pause to the bullish side, right? I'm just looking at the way we came up in that wick, right? Because if we look at it from the bullish side, that wick that we tapped this morning, 167, those are lows from like May 9th that we're holding on to that brought that high on Friday. So One way or the other, something's got to give. That's all I got to say.
Yeah. Chicago-san just said, just finished listening to Young Jock, so we're going down. Hey.
Hey.
Y'all got problems. Y'all got problems. Not gonna lie, the short's becoming stressful. Yeah, I think the short's gonna play out. From what I'm seeing, it looks like there's a lack of buying going on the tape right now. My only concern is that every time we come down to a low, like buyers do kind of pop us right back up, but the strong selling is continuing. So I wouldn't be too worried if you were short. He said, "If you're long in this Godspeed." I agree. Up here, I would not be looking for long.
If you're getting long from here, you're asking for asking to get neutered up here.
Eric says, if you're an ICT person, there is a valid fair value gap from back in April 12th, still up at 371. But 12. With Powell talking, I don't think it'll hit. Oh, to like short the market. Was that what we're talking about? Like it's a bearish fair value gap? All right, now it's printing. I told you what I was seeing on the tape. I'm every single time we buy up at the high of like the pullbacks, I'm seeing like these small little bubbles or no bubbles at all. So I don't see a lot of buying going on. I think we're selling down, but I don't know for how long it's gonna last though.
Yeah, I'm like, but selling down to where?
This isn't very aggressive. Like it's not the speed of the selling is very slow.
Is not like aggressive. It's more like, I mean, we could fall, but yeah, it feels more like a pullback than a sell-off. But if you're playing the scout, then I think it'll work. But again, this is still the area where buyers needed to get above, and they didn't do it yet.
Put a line from 8:30 open and 12 a.m. open. If price is above 8:30 and 12 a.m., that is a strong premium. And if below both 8:30 and 12 p.m. open, it's a strong buy. You're welcome.
Okay.
That was a lot. It was hard to follow.
You're welcome.
that was really hard to follow for me. It's bearish. Haha, Ben said that, my boy. 300 is stable.
No, Powell should be helping you go lower.
You're in short?
Yeah, he's in short.
Oh, okay. You let that area break first. That was smart. Because I wasn't sure whether we were going to break that level or not. Yeah. Looks like we're schmoving now.
Yeah, that nigga Powell can stop my party.
The tape just cleared. The tape just cleared. Everybody go long. Everybody go long. I don't know what's about to happen, but I'm
I don't know what the fuck's about to happen, but I know that this is an area where I want to take the market long.
I'm scared for these shorts. I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, you're anxiously waiting on what's gonna happen. You're not scared. Yes, that part. This is back to the point of control right here. Again, this is the area where I'm looking to potentially participate in longs here. Just want to see what happens. I hope he don't sneeze. I heard you, Jay. I heard you, Jonah. I'm not in them yet. I'm just waiting to see what we do down here. I like the fact that we broke structure.
No, I don't think it's short. I'm trying to find where Powell's speaking at, but I don't think it's televised. I don't see it. Yeah, I don't know. Longs are kind of starting to look good down here. I'm not gonna lie.
I don't think they're great. I think they're going up. I don't trust anything.
I'm not gonna do it, but
I don't trust anything. Fuck you.
I mean, some people are actually out here making money. They're doing good.
That bullshit.
Yeah, I don't see I don't see
any type of high here versus this market. We're still just toying around down here at these lows. Yeah.
I'm starting to see some buying on the tape though.
I'm taking it long here. Yeah. No, I told you where I wanted to get long. He said you ain't gonna wait to see what tie you got on. No, I'm not. I told you what I wanted to do. You always come in and be like, yeah, I'm short. I'm like, I mean, that's cool. I ain't mad at the short. It's probably the right move. He said you always try to short against me. I hate you.
I love it.
It's all healthy competition, man. It's not even competition. It's you're reading the market as a short. I'm reading the market as a long.
I wait for stop down, and then I'm going with that guy.
I'm going with that guy. Joe's the only one that wins. I just wait for one of them to get stopped out. I just go the other way. Yeah, I know. I remember, but I still made money on the trade. All right, I'm out right there. I'm out at the lows right there. Looks like we want to continue to come down. Powell's probably pissing this market off right now.
Right. It's over for the Bulls. Thanks for playing. Right. So I don't want to try a short toe close to break of 288.
Yeah, who's that? They be talking hella shit on the YouTube channel.
Careful here, 15-minute trend line bullish support. Yeah. Missed my 328 entry by 50%. Look, Mr. Podscrapers, I'm the indicator, Makaya. Took a quick scalp. Nice. Short. I'm the indicator. Give me your stops. Meet me at the mall. It's going down.
I'm still seeing, yo, Boston Potts is going ham right now on the show. Like, shut up, y'all.
Eric said, "Don't get Powell when the wild spikes go off after wild speaks." Yeah, they cleared the tape, but then they didn't really do nothing. And now I don't even know. The market just swept. The market just swept VWAP, and it looks like we're coming. We're trying to find some support back up. So, I'm just chilling. I'm just chilling. See what happens. You dig? Oh my goodness!
I just really want us to get out of this range, bro.
Like I said, I'm bearish. When all the odds stack against me, I'm crying under the bed. I can't pick a direction now. Yeah.
Again, we broke above the high to the left. We broke above the high, and we aggressively put in the candle on the 930 candle. Once we broke above the high, I specifically said I'm waiting on a pullback into 277 through 291. I took the market long at 291. I put my stop below 274. 270, whatever this low was on the 1 minute. And I got stopped out. Right. So I'm still looking. Say again. So I put my stop below 280. So I got long at 291 and my stop was below 280. Because my thesis is if we break below the ultimate low at 263, then I'll just reposition. right? And get long down there after that sweep. You're looking at it from, you say what now?
I don't know. Looks like we're about to come down.
Yeah, looking
lower.
at the tape, it looks like we're going down lower, right? So every time we sweep and we don't go lower, it just makes me more bullish though.
Powell's on right now. He's talking. I finally found it pulled up. And yes, Chris, he is wearing a blue tie. He conned us all. We thought it was gonna be purple, and he's wearing blue.
I wait for you, motherfucker. Yeah, y'all.
He did.
What if you get up there and be like, fuck your calls, fuck your puts, we're going up.
Don't fade void or you will get voided. Okay. He said nope, I'm out. I don't like that. Yeah, we look like we're about to get real bullish here. Uh-oh. Blue tie means short, right? No, it means long. No, it always means long.
Purple tie means go short.
I don't know when last time we had a blue tie. Get ready for that dump. Daily
back in long.
Is green, but I'm
back in long at 287, man.
Ooh. Blue tie means we about to dump or I'm gonna cry under the bed.
Yeah, this might be a good night blow.
Wow,
right here.
pump. Yeah, we're looking good right here. He's talking about the U.S. economy right now. He's talking about policy.
He said, y'all about to get smoked. Yeah, he already talked. He already spoke.
He said labor market's coming back gradually into better balance.
There was another member that was talking earlier. He's done talking now.
Shout out to the members.
ES is looking strong too. It's back above
ES
the
does
high.
look good.
Yeah, just stop looking at it. Yeah, take Apple off your chart. Yo.
What do you say about Kendrick and Drake?
Somebody said something about Kendrick and Drake?
Nah, I don't think he said anything about Kendrick or Drake. He just baiting the bulls, maybe.
Could be. I mean, we can't get above this high, so once we get above this, bro, you've been commenting on everything somebody said about Kendrick and Drake. He said my whole algorithm changed. All right, come on, man. ES is ripping. We just need NQ to catch up here. Come on, NQ. You can do it.
He said, come on, NQ. You can do it. You can do it.
ES is doing it. You do it now. Look at ES. Just be more like ES.
ES is jumping.
ES is trying to push. I need you to be more like ES. Come on. You know what I mean. Today I want you to have the strength of ES.
ES is jumping.
Oh God, I do not like that we're flirting around this macro time. Just don't go. I need you to go higher before we hit 930. That's what I need. Bro, every time.
Well, we're consolidating up
range,
here, so
man.
that's pretty good. I'm not seeing a lot of selling going on. I think we might want to rip here. See if we get some buying coming in. Here it comes.
TP.
Huh?
TP. That's what's important to me. Fuck all that shit. What's important to me is TP. I never get TP. He said,
here it comes.
All right, here we go. Come on. Here's the push. Come on, baby. Get these boys out of here. Let's take these stops. Come on. Push.
That pump was to snag the fair value gap. Don't believe what your eyes can see. What? Let us know when he stops talking and says no rate change. I got you, Ryan. Glad I got out at the bottom. Yeah, that was a good sell, Void.
Tech stocks launching.
Sweep and then dump like crazy. Okay.
I'm looking at the 15 minute. That's what I'm watching my trade on. I'm liking what I'm seeing. I just want us to get above that high.
Launching.
We got 2 minutes to get above this high, and I like what I'm seeing on the tape too.
He said 1050 gonna send us under the sea.
We're not reloading that liquidity up at 311 like we were before. Okay, 311, 312, 313. Okay. If we can get above that high, I think we can push. Because that's where all that liquidity was before, and we already got a reaction, and they're not reloading it. Remember, there was like 300 orders sitting up there at the high. They're not reloading that. Oh, come on. Why? That's what I'm looking at. I want to see us. I want to see us get above that previous one. Like I want to see us trade back above 327. If we don't, it's going to bode very badly for my trade. The ES is just continuing to push. Oh, nope, it's rejecting 54. Sorry, I'm still moving. If we get an aggressive rejection, I'm gonna be out if we can't hold above 300 for 13 points. But it looks like as long as we hold 300, we should be okay on the tape. Trading above 327 is what I want to see us do. If we can get above there, I'll be very happy. I know there's a lot of stops up there.
Yeah, I agree. I'm looking at the 5 minute. It looks really good because we tapped back into that 5 minute demand from open, and we rallied, and we got a nice kind of like, I think you're gonna be good.
Yeah, today was definitely, I made the right decision by not sizing up today.
Yes.
I was gonna size up today, and I was like, maybe not on the day that all this news is happening right now. Yeah, that's what I normally do. So me and Justin were talking about sizing up, but I don't think we were referring to today, right? Like I was talking about it, I thought about it, I was like, probably not today. Let's do it tomorrow. I mean, do it on Thursday. Because tomorrow we got CPI. Nothing. That's the point. Thursday, we got
what's Thursday?
Nothing. Oh my god! All right, there goes 300.
Like about to come right back.
Oh my god!
Damn.
300's gone. I'm out. I'm gone. I'm out. And they're adding more liquidity at 300. I'm out. You hear about this in the background? About this hit the wall. He's like, get him out of here. Get his bitch ass out of here. Gunshot. Yeah. Once we couldn't hold 300, I was like, I'm out. If we can't hold 300, I'm getting out of the trade.
Unless he's bullish.
This is crazy. Bro, this is crazy. And we're right back up. We're right back up. Come on, man. I'm with Jonah, man. I'm about to go walk my dog or some shit. I mean, I made profit on that trade. I took a loss on the first one, break even on the first. I took it. I said if we couldn't hold 300, I'm out. I was up 20 points on the trade, so it's a good trade. It's just the market was we were going against trend, so it was important for me to get above 28. If we couldn't get above 28 and we couldn't hold 300, I had to go. So I'll take my little 13 points and bounce. I'm cool with the trade. I just think if we can't hold these levels, then the market's going to hold this area as resistance all day long and end up trading down. Bro, every time we come up there, bro, like, if we can ever get above it, we'll push.
Oh, here we go. Here comes the push.
Huh?
Give me your liquidity, Valdez. Give me your stops.
Oh, I think Justin's in long now.
No, I'm not. I'm not in long.
Oh, then what are you talking about? Give me your liquidity.
I was just trying to join in the party and taking stops from people. That's all.
Trying to join in the party.
I was just trying to join the party. I don't got no dog in this fight.
Yeah, you get nothing, Justin.
Valdez, print.
Now you on your side. Yeah.
And then we start coming back. Give me your liquidity.
This guy.
They playing today? Yeah. You brave to be trading right now?
We in full blown range right now, man. Full blown range right now. Again.
Yeah, This is bad.
You got the top, or like you either got the top, or you're about to be liquidity.
Yeah, look like we coming down. Coming down.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, that big buyer's wick that we got this morning. Yeah. Thanks. Yeah, I agree with that. And there goes ES dropping. Yeah, whatever he said, the market did not like that. There goes ES. Let's see if
the market is stressing us right now.
It's stressful as hell right now. Yeah, it's not stressing me. I'm making money. I'm not down on a day anymore. That's good. But still, it's just annoying. It's like, bro, just go in one direction. AMC's back up to $10. GME is back up to $54. It looks like a consolidation day after taking that high.
Powell just said rates going to stay longer. Yeah.
Higher
that's
for
what dumped
longer.
The market.
Yeah, I don't know. Let's go back to 18K, baby. Bro, let's just do something. Bro, like do something. That's all I'm asking.
He said, Emma said, in the meantime, while y'all figuring that out, it's about to be party. So y'all ain't going this range.
Yeah, the range. Yeah. He said, in the meantime, while y'all trying to figure out a direction, 10 points, 10 points, 10 points. 1,000. He killing this shit. 1,000. The amount of times I could have been up 10 points is so real. That is so real. I'm just too greedy to fucking take it off. I gotta fix that. This is nerve-wracking as hell.
We coming right back up,
bro.
Bow. Oh my god. I'm the indicator. Good lord. No rate cut, but it's unlikely they raise the rates at the moment. Yeah, let's go. Oh, why is he still talking? The indicator is saying go short. I don't think the indicator's changed.
I was about to say he hasn't changed, Jonah. He's short all the way. He's not changing his thesis. Yeah, he's not short every day, but he's definitely been biased since yesterday. He's like down. Mr. Potts. He said, "I'm the indicator." What did I say? Down. Bow, bow, bow. He even wrote the words. Bow, 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 bow.
Oh my god.
And then ultimately the market's probably just gonna push back up.
Bruh, I can't even trade this right now. Like the market is not choosing a direction. Like I think shorts is the move, but I'm just gonna continue to sit on my hands for now. The chat is lively though. I'm fucking with the chat right now. Y'all going crazy. Yeah.
No, 11:30. Justin waits till everybody got their lunch packed. Everybody ready to clock out. Justin
look,
like,
ain't
all right,
nothing.
I'm in along now.
We've been in the same range since open, pretty much. So,
I'm not sure this is a bad raise. I think we're going up.
Yeah, I'm chilling.
I think
yeah, well, right now I don't got an edge for which side is gonna be right. So, yeah. Structure. You're right. Structure wise, we are still in that uptrend. We haven't been able to break down below the low of the day yet for the New York session. So. And we made a new high, but we weren't able to close above that high. But here come the bulls yet again.
Here they go! Get out! boy.
Yvonne said, "Hello, the champ is here."
The tank just got angry, bro. Whatever he said just now, somebody just loaded the fucking
no rate cut till last meeting before election.
And they're gonna have to come and get me. Don't worry.
Don't believe what your eyes can see when Powell talks. Good Lord.
Don't you worry. Don't you worry. Yeah.
I said we touched 189 yesterday.
Now hold those stops.
Lower.
Hold those stops.
Boy calling out Mr. Pot Scrapers. He said he want a friendly competition.
Ooh.
1050.
What's cooking, Haas and Justin? I've given up already. Shorts were not short.
Oh my god.
Bro, we're not getting short. We're consolidating here to go higher, bro. Consolidation before expansion. Right? Like that's what we're doing right here at these highs. We're consolidating to go higher. I'm telling y'all.
He said I want all your stops.
My stop is at 71.25. Back in long.
And this might be the one.
I got in at 296.25. I got back in.
Yeah, this is like it's the one.
Yeah, I think we're gone this time. We held 300. We consolidated down there. We tapped 3 times. We gotta go. We just gotta go. There's 325. All right, let's get out of this freaking area. Stop fill. That's what I wanted to hear. I just heard liquidity being gone, baby. I just heard it. Give me those stops. Yeah. Go, baby. Let's get above the previous day high. I know you don't trust it. Where's you got your stop filled already. All right. 296. We're up 30 points on the trade. I'm not mad for selling my original entry because my original entry was basically higher. It was like 298 or something like that. So this one's a better entry, and I took profit on the previous entry because it didn't obey the way I wanted it to hold. I wanted it to hold above 300, and it didn't. So actually, my other entry was better. I think it was in 287. 287 was my other entry. So my other entry was better, but this entry looks much better on the tape. And they look very upset. And once I saw that liquidity being added, I knew I had a good position. So they haven't done that this whole time. They've just been adding liquidity to the sell side. Now they're adding liquidity to the buy side. All right, now we're pushing. Now we're schmoving. All right, now I could probably go walk the dog, maybe. So let me get above 348, and then I'll walk away. I'll walk away because I think we're about to squeeze now. This is what I've been wanting to happen all freaking week. Let's go. Pamp it. Print.
Ooh.
What you mean print, Jonah? What you mean print, Jonah? You better be in these lows after you talking all that shit. Oh, okay, good. I bet. Yeah. I just was extremely bullish up here. Like I just could not be bearish. I wanted to be bearish with y'all, but when I saw we weren't breaking this trend, I'm like, no, this market's about to short squeeze. And the VIX was pumping because of Powell. It wasn't pumping because the market was selling down. Stop field is hilarious. That's what I heard in the Discord. I heard stop field. I was like, that's somebody. Yeah. Hey, Mr. Potts. I think you need to recalibrate that indicator. I think that indicator needs recalibrating. Who got their stop field? Yeah, somebody in the Discord. I think it was Valdez. I heard stop field. I was like, yeah, give me that. All right, good trade so far. I think we're schmoving. This is what I've been basically waiting on this entire freaking time. Like I never really gave up on the bullish case. I understood the bearish case, but once the shorts didn't come in on that first entry, I was like, we're not going lower. We're going higher. I don't normally like the low on the top, but I don't think this is the top. I think this is just where the Bulls finally decided to go. Yeah, I think so, PD. That's what I think. I think we're going to 473. Yeah, that part, Jonah. Definitely don't. But I think that we can go to 473 today, right? And that's kind of what I'm shooting for. I'm up about 60 points on the trade right now. My TP is 18473. Is Pippi here? No, I don't think he's here. He might be in Yvonne's Discord. But I'm gonna deleverage on my. I'm only in 3 contracts, guys, but I'm gonna deleverage on my position. I'm gonna look for those levels that I looked for yesterday on the 30-minute. But the way that we're coming up is extremely bullish. So I want to just let this trade play out because I don't think we come back to 300. I think we spent enough time there over the last, week, few days or whatever. We don't need to come back down there and retest that shit. Like, that would make me really upset. So first target was 350 from yesterday. 360 was the next target. We hit both of those already. So that next supply area is going to be 388 through roughly about 431, and then 473 is the ultimate target here. So that's what I'm going for. And just so you guys can see the trade, like I don't like to share my trades too long, but there it is right there. My entry is at 296.25. My target is based off monetary value all the way up here, right? I mean, it's got to be 15. It'll kick me out once I'm up 1,500 anyway, but this is my target right here, 473.
Oh, Powell's speaking sweet nothings right now about inflation.
But yeah, we had this double bottom put in right here. And as soon as I saw this recovery right here, we tapped that daily fib one more time, and I entered on that entry right there. So that was the pieces up there. Again, this was more of a wing it type of trade. Like, I don't normally buy highs, but again, the market gave opportunity there, so I wanted to capitalize on that opportunity. I'm out of 2 contracts right there, and I'm gonna leave the runner to hit my profit target.
That's a great trade.
All right, I'm gonna go try to walk the dog. Thanks, brother. Thanks, I appreciate it. Mm-hmm. It was a pain in the ass to freaking sit through and try to get the entry that I wanted, but I'm more proud of the second trade, the trade I took before this one, because I listened to myself and said, okay, I don't want to sit through the drawdown. Even though it was a better entry than this one, it was 287, but I didn't want to sit through the drawdown, and I didn't have to because I knew I could get another entry, right? So I listened to myself the second time and got the better entry, right? So, I mean, got a more comfortable entry, right? So anyway, that's the trade. I'll leave it on so you guys can see it. See if I can hit my TP here. But I'm already out of the majority of my contracts. 90% of the contracts are gone. And then I'm just hoping we don't come back down and sweep all this liquidity, which we very well could. I really hope we don't, right? So if we come back down, say again?
He said, pick me up.
Oh yeah, we could come back down to 302. I just don't want us to get below 300 again. So anyway, I'll leave it up there so you guys can see it. I gotta go walk the dog. I'll be right back.
Yeah, for me to get involved, we got to come all the way back down to 303. So I gotta see a
302,
massive pullback. Nice. Huh?
I said 302, 303 would be nice, but say again, Joe. Oh yeah, he probably had it. 30-point stop is always key. Yeah, I gave it a nice stop, but I'm at break even now. I've already taken profit, so I'll be back.
18,500. Next fair value gap is at 370.75 on the 5-minute, and 8,448 on the 1-minute. 5 bullish gap below, up another 1,600 from that long. Let's go, bud. Good job. 30-point stop loss is always good. Oh yeah, you showed that. Yeah, I'm just waiting at this point. All right, I don't really care what they're talking about. But yeah, I'm pretty much just waiting at this point. I need us to pull all the way back down to like 303. If we don't get that, then I'll just watch this thing run all day. I just won't take a trade. That's fine. I'm not mad at that. I just didn't like that chop. I didn't like what we were doing in there. Like the market was up, it was down. But to Valdez's point, the market was bullish that entire time, even though the market failed to put it at a new high when we came back down that one time. Even though the market failed to put in, let me get rid of this. Oops, what did I get rid of right there? Actually, you know what? I can get rid of this too. I don't need this anymore. Okay. So the market made this high and this low, right? When we traded back down, we put in the new low. We failed to make a new high, but when we came back down again, we failed to break this low, and we actually put in another higher low here. So the market was bullish this entire time, even though this whole area, you know, it could have gone either way, right? But for us to be truly bearish, we would have had to break below this low here, which we never did. So because of that, longs were really valid, right? And I think that's where people kind of struggle sometimes, is like, okay, the market failed to break the low. We come back, we put in that lower high here. We look really bearish. We come back down, and it's just like the trap that gets set for us to go higher. So this is something I need to work on recognizing, because it's something I'm kind of weak at, which is why I just decided not to take anything. Now I'm feeling, I do feel a little bit like FOMO-ish, but I know better. Like if the market wants to give me an entry, it's gonna have to be back down in this area. I don't want to take the entry up here. Yeah, I could short it, but I don't want to take a short. That's not my style of trading. Okay, like this. No. I don't mind shorting the market. If I'm gonna short the market, it's got to be up here at like 840 or 480, and that's pretty far away. So for me, I would much rather allow. I don't think we're pulling back down this far. Like, to be honest, it could happen, but I think the likelihood of it happening is probably pretty slim. Mr. Pot Scraper saying, "Let it go, call it a day." You never know what can happen. An opportunity could present itself. I've seen stranger things happen. We could come all the way back down. It could happen. Do I think the likelihood of it happening is low? Yeah, but you never know. We could come back down, retest this area, and then pop up. We'll see. But yeah, I'm not chasing this. I just think if you're gonna short it back to the downside, it's only probably good for like 20 points max, I would say. $423, note to self, done for the day. Is Hobbs giving up 2? He's in long. He took profit up at the high.
Let's see.
What's next? Oh, and then y'all can see this big ass dog. Dog, huge. I don't know, Mr. Pot Scrapers. Your indicator ain't working. So if we come all the way back down, I think your indicator is busted. I think you need to go find a new indicator or something.
All right, coming back down.
Yeah, we're coming back down.
Oh, this is Jonah, this is a FOMC day. We go up, we go down, we go up, we go down, we go up, we go down.
Good Lord. Bro, 222 sellers just hit the tape.
What did he just say?
Oh my God.
Yeah, this dude is crazy. Oh, that was 30 minutes. That was the 30-minute supply too, and we double topped up there too. 372. Yeah,
Hey, 100% just call it a day. It ain't coming back down. I was like, I mean, the likelihood is low, but here we coming back down.
Yo, what the hell? Whoa. Hey, thank you, sir. I appreciate it.
Bro, I wanted this to come down.
I'm trying to see if I can add to this position. I want to add to this position. I'll re-add my full position. Not yet. No, I'm saying it. I'm saying if we come down and decide we want to give up, we don't want to take 300. If we take 300, then I'm just out of the trade altogether.
Good Lord, have mercy.
Yo, that was fucking deadly. What time is it?
Let's go, Bud. Another 3,700 off that short. Hey,
Ooh,
Bud out here killing the game.
Bud out here double walking this market today. Okay. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Sometimes that could be a killer, man. That's one of my killers. Bro, this is nuts. Man, this is one freaking death.
Crazy.
Let's see. I'm still in this trade somehow. Yo,
man, talk about a reversal.
What was that?
The market gave that entire move right back up,
bro. Oh my God, they're trapping so many. I'm so glad I took profit. I'm out. I'm completely out of the trade right there.
You would have been so pissed if you came back without taking.
Bro, I literally just sat down to see this thing dump. I'm so glad I took profit.
Oh my
God, bro, what?
Wow.
What?
This market is on something different. This is something different.
Yo, what the fuck was this?
Wow.
What is happening?
Bro, I ain't see this coming. I don't think nobody saw that type of sell-off coming.
You never laugh at that, bro. Like, what are you supposed to do with that? Like,
bruh.
Yo. And it's gonna go right back up. This is the
I don't think nobody saw that sell-off coming, bro.
Yo.
That's wild.
The 1 minute looks crazy. Looks like we created one big
that's
ass
nuts,
umbrella. Bro, what the fuck? I think we're going right back up, though. I think we're going right back up.
Oh,
this market is making me crazy, bro. Like this, I'm scared. Now I'm scared. Right? I wasn't afraid yet. Now I'm scared. That shit was ridiculous. I'm sorry.
That was crazy.
Yo, this morning has been awesome. Hey, look. Everybody want volatility. Don't nobody want volatility. We've been begging for this volatility. That shit come in. Everybody like, bruh.
But not like that though.
No, that's fast. It is. It's up. It's no structure being built. We're just coming down like an elevator and going back up like an elevator. There's just no structure being built. That's what I don't like.
More selling
into the building.
Oof.
Eat is the word that I keep coming.
Oh my God, these sellers.
I'm so glad my live account has not been traded yet. By the way, guys, I have not traded that shit. I have not touched my live account. I'm like, yo, what is this? Explain, market. Explain.
Good Lord, have mercy.
The dog went to poop, so I let him out of his kennel to hang out. Hopefully, he don't destroy the house. Yo,
like,
ES is not stopping, bro.
Oh, it's still coming down. Woo.
Oh, bro, what the fuck? I thought we was out of the woods, bro. I was like, oh, we good. Oh, yeah, I see y'all later. We going to 473. Shit. Market was like, and Holt. Oh,
I'm trying along here.
All right.
I'm on small size though.
Hey, get one for me, bro. Godspeed, Justin. Like, go get him, Justin. Go get him for us.
Hey, I'm trying.
Hey, Jonah. I
don't know. I stopped listening.
Jonah, when I picked the 473 target, you failed to mention that you had a supply zone at 376 to 430 up there. Now you're right. I did. I had that level. It was on the 30-minute. I just ignored it. I was like, we going through that. He's like, House, don't play me. You had that fucking level. You had that level. Don't lie. Don't you fucking lie on this show right now. No, I definitely had that level. I even said it in the thing. I was like, yeah, 30-minute. I just didn't expect us to come down and take out the whole thing. Gee.
Yeah, I didn't expect that either.
Trade, that might have been the true trade right there. I'm spooked. I'm fucking. I mean, come on, bro. I still like the longs.
I'm long at 95.50.
Let's go, bro. Let's go.
But it's not looking too good. I want to see us push out.
I'm not getting this, Jonah. I don't know what I want to do, bro. This shit. These motherfuckers look angry, bro. I'm not touching it. Y'all get them for me, bro. They took my 1 micro, bro. Go get them for me, bro. That was nuts, bro. Nuts.
Yeah, I didn't expect to come back down like that.
So glad I took profit. Thank you, Jesus. I'm so glad I took profit. I'd have been sick coming back to this.
Let's see what they do with this.
Bro,
Okay,
I'd have came back cussing the dog out. It's telling you.
It's your fault. It's your fault. You're the problem.
Everybody that always told me to just leave your trade on, just leave it on, just walk away. I'd be like, shut up, all y'all. Hey, I hate all of y'all.
Yeah, this ain't looking too good right now.
No, I am. I was comfortable, but you see, I took profit before I left today because I was like, yeah, I mean, we could go up here, but I'm gonna take profit right here because I feel like if we go reject, it's gonna be right here. Damn, look at these sellers, bro.
Nah, I don't have any supply up there, but
yeah, it's that 370 was supply. That 370 tap when we came up there, that was the 1 hour. That was 1 hour supply up there. I just didn't have it marked. I only had it marked on the 30-minute. But yeah, that tap was exactly 373 was the area, but 370 was. Yeah, they were like close enough. They was like close enough. Sell it here, boys. Dump it on them. Dump it on them from here, boys. We're good right here. Back to Brink struck up. Yeah. Hobbs is definitely in long. 100%. Dump this shit. Yeah, Hobbs. Yeah. Hobbs. Oh, Hobbs definitely took profit. I can say y'all saw it on the screen. Nah, bro. I knew those levels. Remember, I had them all marked out yesterday in yesterday's stream. So I knew those levels were levels that I should be taking profit. So when we pushed past the first 3, I was like, all right, let me take 2 here. And then if we go to my last level, then I got skin in the game. And if we pull back properly, right, then I can re-enter. This was not a proper pullback. This was like a reversal type pullback. This don't look like a pullback to me. This looks like a reversal. It was very unhealthy. So I was like, nah, I will not be adding. I'm just so disgusted by this market. Yeah, this was unhealthy as fuck, bro. I think we.
Well, that's why I think we could be coming back up because that pullback was so unhealthy.
Yeah, because it wasn't structural. It wasn't a structural pullback. It was just a straight up yeet. Like, bye. It's like, bro, like. Didn't we go back up after that? I don't know what to think no more, bro. Like, I mean, I understand where we are. I understand
to make a decision, which I don't like.
I understand where we are. I understand the structure of where we are. I understand everything. What I don't like is the PA that's taking us there, right? Like the price action that we're getting to get to these structural locations is not how I like to trade. So I just stay in this situation. I'm just going to stay hands off.
Yeah. Oh, that's another big buyer in the market, but he ain't going nowhere though.
40 lots, bro. Oh yeah, he about to get going. Ain't no way he about to go in the water, is he? He go in the water.
Unless that was somebody trying to get out.
Yeah, I
know what's about to happen.
Oh god. If he goes underwater, then I might have to get short at this level if we come back here.
Nah, that's not a bank.
If he closes. Because not 140. Yeah. He said, I don't think retail trading is showing up on Bookmap. That's true.
Oh, that's another big buyer.
Another 100 lots, bro. What the fuck? This dude trying to get up out of here, bro. He got some gorillas in the trunk. You know how somebody be riding down the block and they be beating. Ooh,
I don't like it. I don't like it though. I don't like the fact that we're getting all these big buyers coming in and the market just ain't moving. There's
108 lots. What the fuck? Yeah, if this falls, bro, that's a setup. They set up. They're coming down. Just
Wait,
get out.
No, hold up. That's another one. Hold up. Yeah. I was about to, and then I was like, wait, hold up. We just popped right back up. Hold up. We might be okay.
I understand.
Justin
ain't moving, bro. Justin in small size for a reason, so he can.
Yeah, I'm in three micros right now. So I was like, I'm not trading 5. I'm trading 3.
Hell no. Hell no. This ain't the day to put 5 on. Not for me.
Hey, Bud out here. He put at least 3 minis on.
Market move, burn. Let's go, Emmett. Emmett killing this shit. This is 100% Emmett's market right here. 100%. Bro. Printing. All right, here we go, Jay. We about to push out of here.
Look like we trying.
I think I might take this long on my little Apex combine that I haven't traded in a while. I think I might get in along with you guys.
We're just continuing to consolidate down here.
Oh, man, somebody here watching through a window. window shopping.
This shit is so
But that's what you want to see. Like all of that buying that came in and then the sweep and then the defense, that was perfect for me. I'm good with that. Let's send it.
Oh, there we go. There's a nice little send. No,
so they're kind of like in. Yeah, I think he was leveraging into his position. So he ended up buying 348 lots right there. And the market still continued to sell against him. And then we tried to sweep 295, and that's when I got interested, when we didn't break it, right? When we didn't break it, that made me very interested in this level. So we could still consolidate and end up sweeping it, or we could reverse and continue to go down, but I'm liking what I'm seeing out of this level. So I'm willing to put risk on here. See what happens.
I don't like this 1 minute candle we get right here, though. That's ugly. Yeah, especially when we're this volatile, like I need to make quick decisions. It looks like we're about to come right back down to. We're testing VWAP again.
All of that selling at VWAP holding. Well, as long as we're holding this area, I think we're okay. If not, I got my finger on the trigger to get the fuck out.
We're holding this trend line on like the 5 minute time frame. We're holding a really nice trend line.
All right,
there's some more big
another 100 lots right there. Another big lot time. Oh, he's got to keep buying. Another 101 lots. What the fuck?
Bro, they are buying their ass off right now.
Either that or they're getting out of their sell side positions, adding more sell side positions.
Yeah.
I mean, they could be doing that too. All is buying, not moving the market. But you see that lack of buying right here, right? Like,
yeah, but this feels different though. Like,
yeah, but I was about to say the trade that I took was. Well, no, remember the trade that I took was a higher low. This is coming in after that dump. So the question is are we going to continue to dump, or are we about to reverse and go back up?
Yeah, like is this consolidation to go lower, or are we trapping? Yeah. Are we trapping shorts to go higher?
Trapping buyers to go. Yeah. Are we trapping buyers to go short, or are we trapping sellers to go high? I think we're trapping sellers, so that's why I'm in long. That's the same thing Justin feels like. It feels like we're trapping sellers down here. So we'll see.
Well, we created that 5-minute demand, and we came right back into it. And this is where we bounce
everything about it. We just need to break out again. Right? I'm gonna start recording my trading days. Good, man. Good job, Chris. Is that from Bookmap? Yeah, we're watching it on Bookmap. We're watching time and sales on Bookmap and order flow. So, but we don't like showing. I don't mind showing it, but most people like to watch the charts because there's a big buyer defending.
Yeah,
that's what we want to see. That's what we want to see. Might not have any more big moves till Powell is done. Nah, we're just following structure. Whatever structure's doing.
Movement.
I'm in 2 minis over here too. I'm trying to fund this account. This shit done.
All right, we just got to break over VWAP on the.
I told you I still had those combine accounts that I bought from Apex. I told you. Okay.
The Apex is the ops.
I swear my family don't listen to me, bro. Like, I be telling them stuff and they go in one ear out the other one. And then when I bring it back up, they be like, nah, bro, you ain't supposed to be doing that. I'm like, bro, I told you I had these accounts that I've been practicing larger size on. I just hadn't traded them all week. But since I'm in profit in my other account, I don't like the PA, but I also still want to trade. I'll go over here and trade larger size. If it gets funded, it gets funded. I'll just go to the next one. Nah, bro. Boo. Yo, once upon a time, he used to love the ops. He said, boo. But print. Oh, what? Look at these sellers up there. Yeah, in this market, it really sucks. Yeah, I was just up.
I know. I'm seeing so many red flags. I'm like, man. Oh, here we come. We're trying to come back up though. Oh, they just moved that liquidity up too.
I'm in it to win it. Don't sell Valdez. Don't sell Valdez. We in it to win it, Valdez.
He said I'm in it to win it.
Don't sell that shit. They try to sell. They try to scare you out your position, Valdez. Fuck that shit out. All I know is my finger is on exit and clear. I'm already getting destroyed because I was up 400 and didn't take it. So you know that's already bad on Apex, right? Like I'm already in the dirt right now on Apex. So yeah, I'm liquidated.
Liquidated.
That's a $1,200 turnaround. I think I'm risking 800. So if it goes down, I'm gonna be down 1,200, which is crazy. To even think about.
Crazy. That's not even cool.
It's the truth. It's the truth. It's just you got to get out at 400. And I can only lose. I can lose 12. It's crazy. It makes no sense. Make it make sense, bro. But you know, Alpine Trader don't bring us into this. Besides, you don't listen to us, old man. I was talking about. Oh shit! Button's up 7,700. So I think I'm gonna call it a day. They ain't gonna get me in this back. Go, bud. Let's go, baby. Let's go, bud. Let's go. Best day ever, bud. Let's get it, baby. Let's get it. Anyone got cashed out on Apex? Yeah, I got cashed out on it. A few people have gotten payouts on Apex. Multiple people, actually. Let's go, bud. Congratulations, brother. Congratulations, man. Congratulations. Get that money. Let's go. Yeah.
He said Apex open. Did we just lose Hobbs? We just lost Hobbs. Oh my god. Okay, we just broke over that level right there. we just lost Hobbs, y'all. We just lost Hobbs. I just heard all right, we did break above that level of liquidity that they put up there. And we broke above VWAP on the chart, which I like, but I want to see us continue to push here. No, I'm on NQ. I told you I got it at 295.50. Oh, nah, I put up there for trading yoga girl because she trades ES. I'm watching NQ's tape, but Hobbs is normally in here. Nah, because we got they put support down here for us. They put support here for us, so I think we're good. I think we just needed that push out right there, and now that we got that push out, I think we should be good. I think we're gonna trap a lot of late sellers that we're trying to get into this market. It's kind of where I'm at right now. Now we're coming back down now, but I'm hoping we can. I'm hoping 317 can get supported here. But we're looking good. All right, we're looking good here. Let me go to the chat real fast. Oh yeah, this is looking bullish. This is looking bullish on the tape. This is looking real bullish on the tape, y'all. Yeah, this was just a lower. This was just a higher. This was a higher low. Yeah, we're looking very, very solid right now. I think we can go back up and retest those highs. Huh? Nah, I'm only trying to get up to 81 because I think I get up to 81, I'm funded. But we're consolidating right here. We could pull back. Yeah, it looks like we were going to pull back here. I don't know. The market didn't put in a lower high, so we should be good. Or a lower low. We never broke the low when we came back down, so.
Right.
Did your dog shit again?
No, the computers went out again. The computer out, and then the dog started fighting with the cat or barking at the cat. So I had to go back in. I had to go back in and deal with the cat. So the dog was barking at the cats. They were fighting. Oh shit, we about to get funded on this thing, baby. Let's go.
Yeah. Oh, that was not a good rejection. Jesus.
I'm up
he said, you know, I always love Apex.
Oh yeah, we're $1,000 away. Let's go. $1,000 away, almost to profit target. Profit target is 381.
Bro, stop it. What'd you say your profit target was?
381.25.
Bro, my profit target is literally 381 as well.
Let's go. It's the spot, baby. It's the sweet spot. Yeah, Apex account is almost funded.
I think at 381 I'm funded. I think I might have to actually move it up to actually I'm gonna put it up to 382 because I think I need an extra like $18. Yeah. I'm up to 52.
Yeah, Justin about to get funded, and I'm about to get funded too on this Apex account. So
yeah, as long as this thing can continue to push.
With $1,000 away, I probably should take this, honestly, but who fucking cares? We're in it to win it, Jonah. Fuck that.
We're in it to win it, Jonah. Fuck that.
Jonah said, at least take one. All right, I'll take one. Fine, Jonah, fine. I'm not jumping out. I just took one contract though. I'm in 2 minis.
Well, this 5 minute candle doesn't look great right now, but we'll see.
I think we pull back 50% and we keep going. So
Oh yeah, the 5 minute before that, it looks great.
I think it's the right thing to do on Apex. If I was on Top Step, I'd have let this shit ride. But on Apex, nah. Let me take that off. Let me take that off right now. Y'all like, nah, hold. No, bruh. Not over here. We do not hold over here. We cut. Yeah. I mean, that's a good day, honestly. Like, I kind of want to just take this all off, honestly. But I also want to keep it on. It's scary, though. I mean, I'm up 700 on the runner, but yeah, it's just an eval. But I also don't want to go negative on the eval, you know? We'll hold it.
I know. I'm thinking the same thing. Like, bro, this thing is looking real aggressive right now to the downside. I really don't like it.
It's fine. It's fine. Mm-hmm. I mean, we're holding the uptrend. Like that higher high we put. Bro, I'm chilling, bro. I'm
chilling too. I'm at break even. This looks
I'm
good.
just not in multiple contracts. The only reason why I'm even sweating this is because I'm in Apex. If I was in fucking Top Step, this shit would just be on, right? In 2 minis, I would have probably took that same contract off, but you know, let the rest ride. Maybe lock in about 30 points, but I'm only up 37 points right now, which isn't bad, but yeah, I want 400. Go to 400. My everything broke down, bro. Like, y'all getting commercials? Nah, I mean, people just really like the Discord, man. Like, again, you just got to get in there to try it out. If you don't like it,
oh, we're getting oh yes. Those. Oh,
you talking about a live stream?
Yeah. I did put on those ads midstream. Y'all gonna have to pay that premium subscription to not see them ads. Goddamn, we need to get some money coming through here.
Justin doesn't even have the premium subscription.
I know. Damn right, I do the ads. I need to get some paper running through this YouTube channel. Y'all gonna sit there and watch some ads, damn it.
Y'all gonna watch some ads. Oh, that's freaking hilarious.
YouTube ain't free no more. Y'all gonna sit here and enjoy them ads.
Or hit the like button, something.
Y'all want the premium? Come to the Discord. Then you ain't gotta see nothing.
Yeah, you ain't got no commercials. You said, come to the Discord. That's funny. Meanwhile, AMC and Game are just consolidating on the day. Usually they consolidate throughout the day. Then after lunch, around like that last hour, they go crazy. So Amazon. I gotta reset all my stuff over here.
This 5 minute candle looks like we based here. We put a nice base candle for that 5 minutes. So let's see if we rally.
Yeah, we still got to pull back. We got to pull back and fill that gap here. So I think we come back down to about 50% of this gap. We just don't need to keep retesting 300. Like, just get the fuck away from 300. That's all I want. We can stay away from 300. I think we'll continue to climb and hit that last target. How much do I need? I need 50 points from here, so 386.
Yeah, move my target up to 382.
You know why?
We're just consolidating right here.
It needs to trap. It needs to trap. It's got to do its job. Like, it's got to facilitate to. It said, but we see it, bro. But not everybody sees it, though. Right? Everybody else is looking at this as a short. So that's what the market wants. It wants people to short right here. Hey, listen. You see that doji candle on the 5 and the 15? I'm telling you, somebody's trying to short this, right? And the market's going to facilitate them, and then hopefully continue back to the upside, right? Because I mean, even when they short for a small time, 5-10 points, they still making money.
Nah, they about to trap them. There's a lot of selling going on. We did not move. Come on, play out, bull flag.
Look at the VIX, bro. This thing is that rejection on the VIX was nasty on the 1 hour, bro. Damn. This shit going down. All right, there goes AMC back to $10. My wife bought AMC this morning, so I'm praying for her. Our relationship depends on I think she bought it in the pre-market. Our relationship depends on how good this trade does for her. I'm just kidding. Definitely a joke. He said he's also not joking, guys. Yeah.
That was our mortgage.
No, that's her weed money, literally, because she had the money in weed stocks. It's up to her. All right, we're 10, 50, 11, 10 macro. What the fuck was that? Your dog? Yeah, it was you. I'm blaming you 100%. Every time. He said, blame me. Go ahead. I'm here for it. The funny part is that ES cannot get out of this range, bro. Like, if ES can ever break above 5270, we'll go. NQ still in the range. ES just can't get above it. What's up, bub? What's up?
Oh, here we go. Here comes some buying. We're starting to try to. Oh, no, never mind. Yeah, it looks like we're trying to move up. I don't know. I really like this 5-minute candle that we're getting right now, but I want to see this close bullish. I don't want to see this close bearish. I want to see this close up at the high because we're just consolidating right now. There we go. Yeah, I'm liking everything I'm seeing right now to NQ essentially push higher, hopefully.
Well, you know we got to sweep this low too, so just get ready for that. Strap on your seatbelt before we leave this area. Damn, look at Hobbs. Go, baby.
There we go. Here comes the push now.
Justin's about to get funded. I'm about to get funded. Don't really want to be funded over here, but can't lose.
Whatever.
What are you going to do? Up another 1,000 here.
All right.
I don't even want to trade over here, but fuck it. I'll take $2,000. You're gonna give me, you're gonna let me chart, bro. You know what was inspiring this morning? And I don't say this about this trader that often, so y'all listen up.
Is it something about
I watched Alpine Trader video this morning.
I tried.
Right? And I don't like the way this dude's trade, right? I don't like the way he trades, but here's the cool part about trading in futures, right? Is the fact, Justin, put your shit on the screen. You don't want to jinx it?
No, I'll put it on.
But here's the cool part about trading, right? Is that every business is different, right? Now, I don't agree with his business model, but I really was inspired by it, right? Am I short X futures? Hell no. Made 3,800 on the short. Are you short? Hell no. Oh, that's definitely in long. That's hilarious. I'm watching Justin try to get funded. He got $200 away from getting funded. Let's go, Justin. And my trade is about, I think this account is about $900 away from being funded. So we might get dual funded on the stream today. That would be dope.
Yeah, we got to break this 52 level. There's a lot of liquidity sitting here. We'll see. Good 5-minute candle right there. Nice rally-based rally. Let's see what we do here.
All right, that's Justin's trade. That's my trade. I think he got in a little bit before me. I already took one contract off, but yeah, we're just moving, baby. Schmoving.
I'm securing the 200 now because I'm at this point. If we come back down there, then probably
trade, Justin.
Probably basin. So I'll secure the 200.
You need like another. You just need the high right there, right? To get funded.
Yeah, I need 82 because I made a little too much money one day, so I needed an extra like $18 or something like that. So.
Gotcha. Man, you better move that shit back and break even and just hold it.
Nah, because I think, we're consolidating here. I think we're gonna break this pretty violently, but I'm hoping I don't know. We'll see. Right now, I'm giving it plenty of room. So
it's either funded.
Not for me, bro. I need to make some progress, bro. I haven't made no progress in this account.
Yeah, I think they about to sweep his.
We might sweep
they're gonna sweep that area right there.
We might sweep.
You can't hear Justin, Jonah? You can't hear me? Oh, is Powell done talking? Oh no. I don't know. I don't know if he's done talking.
I think he's done. Yeah, he's done talking. He's not talking no more.
We at least need to take that high. Bro, they don't.
I don't want to see us come down and sweep this low again. I really don't. Like, we just pulled up out of here.
They probably do need to sweep it though, because we were in consolidation just now, right? So we sweep the high, sweep the low, and then we go up. But I'm cool if they don't. I
want to see us just continue to move.
Me too, Justin. I'm with you. I'm on your team. I'm just saying. Yeah.
Hey Jonah, we told you. We want a secret.
Jonah wanted to be window watching. I even got in after both of them got in, Jonah. I was like, you know what? I actually like this. Let me get in.
What is this, High School Musical? We're all in this together, and
let's go. This is unison. We don't, Justin. This doesn't happen too often.
It doesn't happen too often.
This is like legit some historical shit that we're all in the same direction.
And Jonah's so mad that he not in there with
like,
us.
Yeah, it's cool. You guys are all in the same direction. Cool, all at the same time. Kumbaya and all of that.
He like, all right, y'all. I'm going short. If they're all long, I'm in short.
He ain't going short. Nah, that ain't though, dude. But yeah. All right. I don't think it's a bad idea. I just think it's a bad idea. Oh, we coming back up to retest it? Oh yeah, this is the retest, huh?
Yeah, this is the retest of the high. That's what I'm saying. Like, we got to break. Well, we got about another 20-ish points. 30 points.
I'm the indicator. Who's the real indicator? That's what I need to know.
Who's the real indicator?
Because somebody's the imposter. Y'all both can't be the indicator. Hey, Striker, mute your mic, sir. All right.
I don't think he knows.
I got it.
All right. We're consolidating here again. I think we're about to try to make another leg up, hopefully. That last leg up wasn't as leggy as I wanted it to be, but whatever. Well, we rally, we based, we're basing again. So hopefully the next candle is another rally candle.
We're going to 400, guys. Just sit back and relax. Let the market do its
thing. I don't need it to go all the way to 400.
We're going to 400, bro. If the market 473 is where we're going, but that's where my TP is at. That's where our says we're going. That's where the fuck we're going. We're going to 473. We got no reason to come back down to 300.
All right. Well, they're loading up orders here at in the 50s. They do not want this level to break. I'll tell y'all that much.
Yeah, this is why.
Which is why we about to break it, ladies and gentlemen. I don't know what we're gonna do.
This is why Jonah wants shorts up here, because he like. What? I literally said I don't think it's a bad idea. I just think it's a horrible idea. What do you want?
Oh, here we go. There's the test of 51 or 52.
Order filled.
order filled.
Order filled.
Tangela was weak. I don't know whose order filled that was, but he said order filled.
Order filled. When I heard that shit, I said game over. Game over.
He said game, set, match. Eliminated.
Order filled. That's what it sounds like, babe. One of these days I'll show you. Oh, they put 100 orders up at 355.
Yeah, they trying their best to stop these bulls. Oh, there's the pop through. Oh my! They took them off, bro. They was like, we playing. Oh no, they didn't. We actually killed them. And then they put the orders below.
We 700 away from being funded. Justin is $100 away from being funded.
How
hard is it not to take this off, Justin?
It's not that hard.
Let's go, Justin.
We gotta break this high though.
I'm there.
I'm gonna secure more here.
Let's get it. On a 93-point move, we about to get funded. Print. Live, baby. 30 points away. 30 points away, guys. 30 points away. Let's go. Like 3K for being funded on 150K account.
TP hit 14K forever.
Let's go. Yeah. TP hit 14K. Let's go.
Damn.
Yo, Discord family acting a fool today, bro. What is happening?
Oh my god, bro. This is nutty. This is nutty bar trading.
Oh my god. All right, that was the sweep of that liquidity right there. We don't want to see this come back down aggressively because this would definitely change. We're up 60 points right there. I'm taking that, guys. I'm sorry, I'm out. I'm all out right there. I'm all out. Huh? I'm in Apex, man. I can't sit through another pullback, okay? I'm in fucking Apex, bro. I only need $600. I'm not giving that back. Like, no, I'm out of there. Nah, I'm in freaking Apex, bro. I'm over the threshold. Like, I'm good to go.
Yeah, it looks like we're coming back down.
I only need $600. Ain't no reason to hold that.
I'm gonna go ahead and secure a little bit more. I'm gonna go ahead and secure the 300.
Discord going hammer time in this motherfucker. Let's get it.
That's not a good 5-minute candle right there.
I didn't like it. It was the high too. I was like, yep, I'm out right there. That's all I need. I don't like when we get those aggressive liquidity sweeps and we don't immediately continue. It could continue going, so don't let me discourage you. You have a plan. You got your shit locked in. You're locking in 300, right?
Yeah, I'm locking in 313.
Let's go, baby. That's a good day, no matter what, bro.
That's a great trade. day on
a great fucking day. And then you just do that again.
Yeah, matter of fact.
All right, now Michelle's hot micing. Michelle.
All right, I'm out there. I'm out there for 309.
All right, I'm server muting Michelle. Michelle, can you hear me? No.
The answer is no.
All right. I'll at Michelle. Both of them, that whole family hot micing today. I think that was a great exit. That was the top. Jonah, you're good now.
Go ahead, tap.
You can commence now. You can commence now.
Go ahead, tap Jonah in.
He said, I'm already in, fuckers. Keep holding that shit. Keep holding that shit. I'm server muted you.
You don't have to wait 7 days. They have a 1-day pass.
You were also it's the rest of the month. Hot miking. I've had this account for like a week though. I don't trade it that often. But now that it's at 52,361, I mean, it ain't gonna hurt to get it funded. I can just trade 5 micros before the end of the year. Bro, that shit, I ain't done that in so long. Man, I mean, I've been doing it on this account, but it's so much faster to get to the funded that way.
Ooh.
No, I'm gonna do it on one of my top step accounts. Oh, I didn't tell you guys. I ixnayed copy trading 10 accounts. I thought that was stupid. When I talked to Justin about it, and I basically said it was stupid on my own, but you know how Justin is. He definitely agreed, right? But it was kind of like, you know how Justin does this thing where, like, have you ever talked to Justin? Like, he been thinking that was stupid, is what I felt like. He just didn't want to say it to me, right? So instead, he waited for me to say it out loud, and he was like, yeah, that's probably the better way. Yeah, I don't know what you were thinking. I'm like, what the fuck? But when I was in there, you was like, yeah, good job, bro.
Because you can't tell you nothing. That's why.
That's also true. I'm hard-headed as hell.
I let you come to the conclusion. I'd be like, yeah, I didn't think that was a good idea neither. But, you know, I'm going to let you live.
No.
Hey,
I'm doing good. Wait, hold on. Wait. I'm doing good on the accounts, right? They're not in bad standing at all. I just decided that it didn't make any sense because I can only get 3 funded, right? Nah. I got 10, but I can only get 3 funded. I was like, well, what's the point in trading all 10 when I can just trade 1 at a time and work my way to get the payout.
Because a day later, a dollar and a day later, fucking Nutty. Patrick Whalen.
The next day, no, it was the same day, Justin.
Oh no, it wasn't. No, it wasn't next. You didn't. No, you didn't.
I talked to you yesterday when you were at your daughter's dance.
No, I know. I thought you didn't copy trade yesterday. I thought you just. Oh no, you did copy trade yesterday.
Copy traded yesterday.
Okay, yeah.
Because I was only down $92 yesterday.
No. Oh wait.
Yeah.
But Friday was the
day that I had a bigger loss. I was down like 300.
Friday was the true reason. But yes, the same day, a dollar and the same day later, all these people was blowing multiple accounts, and but honestly, like I reviewed Nutty's day, part of Nutty's day with the Discord.
Oh my god! Oh, the dog didn't poop. Instead, babe, I'm sorry. He just destroyed Dre's flip flop. It's all over the place. And now he's working on his Spider-Man hat. So hang on a second.
Oh dang. Go ahead, get him. But
give it to me. Let's go. Get him.
I'm gonna mute his mic over here. But yeah, so what ended up happening, like I don't know, man. Like I think Nutty's actually a really good trader. Like my theory on Nutty, if you out there, bro, I think you're a really good trader. And I mean, it's just my theory. I be thinking you'd be blowing accounts just for the entertainment value. That's what I think. I'm probably wrong, but I feel like as an entertainment value, it's a good entertainment thing. You know what I'm saying? Like, because that's what people like to see. People don't like to see people win. Let's be honest. People like to see people lose. That's the entertaining part, right? Our homie Valdez's best video was him blowing up his account. Why? Because people like to see people lose. I don't know what attracts people to that, but it's true. I know, because people love it. People love to see it. I don't understand why, but they do. I mean, it is respectable, but at the same time, like there was this one dude. He doesn't live stream anymore, or he doesn't post his trades anymore, but he used to. Bro, I used to tune into him just to see him lose because I wanted to see how bad his game was.
Justin used to make his shit a fucking movie for the Discord to watch. Bro, like, all right, Discord, gather around.
But it's because it was so funny. It was so funny the way he was trading. Like it was bad. It was bad.
No,
but then the dude got off stream and got like 3 accounts funded. So like I don't know what it's about, but yeah, I don't know, man. It's funny,
bro. I got out at the fucking top. Let me review.
Yeah,
my
you
trading.
did. I got out somewhere near.
I'm pretty sure.
Well, hey, you ain't out the woods yet, bro.
Where you were trying to get short, I thought was a horrible idea. I did. I still don't think this. No. I'm saying we're down here in the consolidation because I thought we would sweep that high. So where you were trying to get short in the 342, I didn't agree with the idea. I don't think it was a horrible idea. I was joking when I said that. But that's what we were consolidating at, right? We were consolidating from 343 to 351. I was like, I wouldn't short right here because I think we're gonna sweep this high. And I was expecting us to go higher. But once we didn't, yes. Once we swept,
I was talking about the idea, but I won't talk about what I'm doing.
Well, he said he was already in. That's why I was like, yeah. I mean, I don't think this is a good idea here. Oh, I mean, perfect.
Actually,
get out. He's like, yeah.
It actually looks good. As long as we don't break above 71, I think you're just fine. But like, this is a nice 5-minute wick too. Here comes the dump. It looks good.
Bro, my exit
I should take
was
this shit
3.
short, trying to finish this account off, but I'm not.
Yeah, facts. Yo, Jonah, my entry was 301. My first sell was at 336.75, and my second sell was at 362.5. The market went as high as 367, so I missed the top by 7 points. That's how you maximize on Apex, baby. But if I would have held those two, I probably would have been funded. But who cares? Next time. Tune in next time. I'm done.
Mr. Potscript says, this is why I keep my circle small. Yeah, no one wants to see you win, bro. It's weird. You know what? I was watching something. I can't remember what it was this weekend. But basically he said like he basically said like don't tell people that you want to trade because people don't want, like, even people you care about, like they don't want to see you win, and then when you start winning, they basically those same people them same people that was like, telling you shouldn't trade and it's gambling, them same people come back and be like, yeah, man, so you want to teach me what you're doing now? Like, I see you out here winning. I see you making all this money. Like, can you teach me? It's like, nah, bro, you just was out here telling me I wasn't going to be shit. And now you want to be shit?
Low key, Jay, it's the same for any profession though, right? Like, when I used to work for a buddy of mine told me the same story. He was a driver for UPS, right? Mm-hmm. And he said he had been working for UPS for almost like 10 or 12 years at the time. But he said when he started off, you know, unloading the trucks, getting up at 3 o'clock in the morning, you're making pennies, right? Yeah. Nothing. But you have full benefits. That's the one thing about UPS. It was part-time, but they gave you full benefits. Then he went full-time. He said he had a buddy that would be watching him go to work super early and be like, bro, like, you are tripping. You need to just come get a job, you know, at this place, you know, making this much. He's like, you're wasting your time working there. He's like, well, I got full benefits and the opportunity to move up to driver, where they make the big money. Now, 10 years later, that same guy is switched jobs 4 different times, right? The guy that worked at UPS is now a driver for UPS making $80,000 a year, which now they make almost 200. They make like 150, almost 200 as drivers now. Careful here, Jonah, they're looking pretty strong. But they're making big money now. And that same dude is like, hey man, what can you put me on? How can I get on?
Yeah.
It's like, damn, bro, like you ain't want to get on when I was, you know, grinding. But now that I'm a driver making the big money and getting the benefits, now you want me to put you on. So it's the age-old story about anything, man. Like every time you at the top, everybody want a piece, but nobody want to be here when the grind is going on. Like, for instance, it's the same thing with our Discord, right? Like, again, yeah. I'm not saying this to the YouTube channel for you guys to be like, oh, he just wants us to join, but it's the truth, right? Nobody wants to really join our Discord right now when they don't see us posting huge wins and, you know, up 200,000 on the month or whatever. But when that happens, everybody's going to want a discount. Everybody's going to want the $40 price, but then the price is going to go up, right? And people are going to be asking for a discount. And it's like, I'm not going to feel bad about saying no, because right now we giving a discount and we've been giving it all year. So yeah, it's the same thing. You going to earn that money with UPS though? Hell yeah. UPS be hitting, bro. UPS be hitting. You know what I mean? Like I used to work for UPS. It was one of my first jobs after I left. Once I realized college wasn't for me, I came back to Chicago and I was working for UPS. I was a preloader, right? I was loading the trucks. But he teaches you how to get there and be ready to trade. Exactly.
Yeah, coming right back up.
Take too long and want me to spoon feed them setups? Nah, I don't do that. I don't. In our Discord, I don't. The only time we ever post setups in our Discord is setups we already in, right? We got a section called Shop Trade Ideas, and most people that post in there, they post in the trade that they took. They may discuss it before they put it on, right? But nobody's obligated to give you a trade. We don't give people shit in our Discord. That's just me being 100. The only thing we feed you is education. And shout out to my man Bud. Where he at in here? Because I didn't even get a chance to talk about him. I also want to go back. I want to circle back to what I was talking about Alpine too. But shout out to my man Bud, man. I want to highlight this, not because I'm advertising the fact that a member made $7,700. Just eliminate how much the profit is and understand that this motherfucker's in profit, right? The reason why I'm highlighting it though is because when Bud came to us about 2, maybe 3 months ago, he's another person that came to us with no experience, right? He was a degen by definition. His words, not mine. He was a complete degen from crypto. He had just turned around and blew his account with 5 minis. You know the first thing we taught him? 1, your ass need to size down because you're not ready. 2, you need to learn risk management. 3, you need to understand how the market moves, right? 4, you need to come to classes. You need to watch the videos. Also, you need to ask any question that you have in regards to the market. Justin and I are nowhere near perfect. Nowhere near it, right? But that doesn't mean, and when I say nowhere near perfect, our execution, our management of our emotions is nowhere near perfect. But we are very in tune to this market, very. And I would argue anybody that would challenge me on the education that I provide, right? That we provide, right? So using that education, him and Emmett. I mean, Emmett's up 14K today. Bud's up 7,000 a day, right? You see, Justin and I, we're still working on combine accounts, but I don't care. My focus is on the goal, the process, not the profits. And the profits will turn around and be the reward for your progress, right? For focusing on the process, right? What happened all this week? I was showing Justin, I was showing Pitt. All this week, we looking at all of these people that's been killing this market on trending days, right? I'm sending Justin YouTube, Twitter after Twitter, blown account, 12 blown accounts, 5 blown accounts, 8 blown accounts. I'm like, damn, here I am upset because I'm down $92. Here I am upset because I lost 300 on Friday, but I'm green on the entire month. And these aren't accounts that were just, these accounts were already funded and already at payout. That to me is a failure to fix the little things inside of your process. Damn, Jonah about to be out of this thing. He already up probably 10 points on 3 minis. Let's go, Jonah. Print, bro. Oh, you got out? What was your stop?
This thing about to go to the downside.
Did you stop at 368 at the... Oh, okay. You stopped yourself. Okay. Yeah, I feel you on that. This is very nice. But I'm done trading, guys. I don't. The only. What's up, brother? Alpine. Oh yeah, thank you, Jonah. Because I get off. I get off track. I get off track. So Alpine, right? I'm gonna circle all the way back to the Alpine comment that I made earlier, right? And it was interesting to me because again, I've talked about Alpine I've talked about his business in a negative light, in a sense that I just don't agree, right? But I also thought that he wasn't overall profitable until this year. Obviously, he made 240K. The motherfucker ain't profitable now. Like something's wrong. But he released a video, and I'm gonna when I talk about somebody in a negative light, if they do something positive, I'm gonna talk about that too. And I want to give that man his flowers because he produced a video this morning. It was the first video I watched when I woke up this morning because I was very curious. And the title of the video was, all of these blown accounts, 240K in payouts. Payouts is how he would say it, but 240K in payouts. Am I profitable? And I'm like, shit, I actually want to know. Like, I want to know how much he spent, because that's what the video was about. How much he spent to get to the point where he took out 240K. So without giving you the skinny, he went through, he sent through the thing. You better mute me if you don't want to spoil it. I'm about to put it out there. But the man only spent, right? And when I say this, you're going to be like, what? He only spent $15,000. Like he was negative 15K, but he was positive 240 grand. Now, if you do that on a percentage basis, he basically was, his losses were only 7.5% of his total investment. Now, here's the kicker though. He said he took his first account. He said, you can go back and watch it. He did it on screen. He said he took his first payout. Pow is what he said. But he took that first payout, the $2,000, right? And he never put another penny of his own money in the market. I want to repeat that. He took the $2,000, reinvested it, had it pay for his fundeds, had it pay for his new accounts, right? When it was on sale. And he said he never put another penny into the market of his own money. Print. Let's go. Good job, Valdez. But he never put another penny of his. I know how you trade. But he never put another penny of his own money into the markets, right? And that to me was so powerful, right? Like watching him trade 2 minis for $400 a day, I'd be like, bro, like 5-10 points, that's stupid. But again, it's not stupid. It's just the way that he trades, right? And once I saw that, I said, man, this dude is brilliant, right? And I wanted to give him his flowers, right? I know he probably don't watch my channel, but in the event that he does watch my channel, I'm always gonna stand 10 toes down on what I say. But if I make a mistake, I'm gonna come back and double back around and apologize for it. I wanted to apologize to that man. You know what I mean? The same way I was just as loud about him not doing it the right way, quote unquote. There is no right way to eat this Reese's, man. There's only Make fucking profit and control your risk to reward. And that is risk to reward, not just in the trade. He is a master of risk reward inside of prop firms. And that's where I give him his props as well. So, you know what I mean? I apologize, Alpine, if you ever watch this, I apologize, man. You are absolutely killing it, and much respect. 240K while risking 15,000. You tell me the trade, the job, or any opportunity that you can put 15K in and within 6 months turn it into 240,000. It don't really exist. So that's what I wanted to tell you guys about Alpine. So
facts.
Yeah, you ain't gotta watch it. I told you, I know how you trade. And I was like, he saw the first sweep, he's waiting on the pullback, and then you go on mute. And I was like, oh, he's short. Valdez is short. So when you came back, when you unmuted, before you even said anything, I already knew. When you unmuted, I was like, this motherfucker's short. Good short, Valdez. So I want to know how the hell you know I got the short. I know how you trade, bro. I know exactly how you trade. I know how everybody trades. Is Hobbs here? You in New York? Nah. Like I said, I just know how you trade. Like, Justin wouldn't trade here, right? Justin would have liked to been in the short at 364 on the initial sweep. The buying back up would have made Justin hesitate a little bit, and he might not have taken that trade. Jonah, he did exactly what he normally did, get in on that initial pullback after the sweep, and then we get that next sweep, and he's got a decision to make. Sometimes he holds, sometimes he doesn't, right? But when you're in 3 minis, it makes you expedite that decision, right? So, yeah, Pip would have been in on the initial double top and would have been holding at 371. If he was going to short it, Pip probably wouldn't have been in this short. He would have most likely tried to get long at 171 or 186. Pip would have been out at the top up here. So beautiful
Mr.
trade.
Pot Scrapers, you done came up out the tub, back under the tub, went in the bed, went under the bed, came back out under the bed. Anytime this market dump. Oh my God.
5 minis is outrageous. All right, let me see. I gotta get caught up.
Oh.
Okay.
I know. I just wanted to. This is a little bit more pressing. I'm having trouble trading in this range. Yeah, I would be careful trading. Like, if you're gonna trade this, you got to trade the extremes, right? The highs aren't breaking and the lows aren't breaking. So if you're, yeah, this is ES right here. So if you're in the middle, like if you're trading in the middle of the range, then you could potentially get yourself into trouble if you choose the wrong direction, right? So it's better. It's better to be trading longs like somewhere down in here where we've already bounced, and it's better to try to trade shorts up in this area. Oh, that was not right. Here we go. Up in this area where we've already rejected, right? Like, this is the range that the market's putting in right now, right? You can see the market's bouncing at VWAP, right? So if you were to try to get short in the middle, you could get yourself caught. Remember what we talked about yesterday with like having valid stops? If you're getting short in the middle of the range, your valid stops got to be up here at 52.55 or 52.56, right? Because if not, then you could get stopped out prematurely, and then this thing ends up just coming right back down to the bottom of the range. And then at that point, you're just basing your stop off of how much money you don't want to lose, right? Or how much money you're willing to lose. But that doesn't invalidate your trade. So if we're in the middle, in the black space, I wouldn't be looking to touch it. I would only be looking to trade if we come to the extremes, right? That's where I'd be looking for the trade for entries. So, but go ahead.
Yeah. No, I was just gonna say the same thing. Like, I mean, just don't try to like struggle with the thought process of the entry. Just ask yourself 2 questions: are we at the low or are we at the high? Right? If we're in a range, if we're at the high, you probably shouldn't be looking to get long. If we're at the low, you probably shouldn't be looking to get short, because then you're expecting the range to break. a lot of time the problem is like a lot of people when they're in the range, because they're late to the party naturally, right? Meaning when they see the buying coming in, they don't get long until the pullback. Remember yesterday we talked about your trade and we were talking about that pullback and I was like, yeah, you won on that trade, but was this actually a good trade to take based off where you entered the market, right? And that's because you were late to the party. If you're still doing that today, you're going to pay for it today, right? Because the market,
how volatile it is.
Yeah, the market's super volatile. So when it goes up and it's done trending up and you're looking for a pullback to go higher, the market's already reversing to go lower, right? So now you're in trouble because you were expecting the market to go, higher, right? And that's why I was saying from yesterday is like, you got to understand like the range right now, the highest the market has been today is 371, right? The lowest the market has been, we know was like at 171 or whatever it was, right? But we know that the market hasn't been able to break basically below 300. So right here in the center would be what we would call the equilibrium or the point of control. Do you really want to trade right here, right? Or do you want to wait till we come back to the volume area low or the volume area high to participate in price? That's what you should be asking yourself, right? So I hope that helps trading, Yogi Girl.
Yeah. The shorts were really valid up here. I guess I wasn't really looking for it, but we're also starting to break that trend too to the upside. Like, and again, looking at market structure, we were unable to break the high and continue higher, which invalidates my trade idea long, right? So now the market, if we come down and we break this low, the low that we couldn't break before when we rallied, then that's a change of character, and then the shorts are gonna come in nicely, right? So those are things you should be. Huh?
I was gonna say I still like the longs, at least right here. I want to see what we do right here, but yeah.
I mean, again, I would be looking for longs down here at 302 again, like the same area where we bounced.
Yep,
I'd be looking for that same area to hold.
Yep, I'd be looking for this same area. We just keep coming down here and bouncing. So I'm like, okay, well,
exactly.
If we keep coming down here and finding buyers and do the same shit. Yeah,
this 5-minute demand is where I'd be looking to hold. Within that 5-minute demand, we created another 5-minute demand. You can see all the wicks and the buyers. This is why I got long to begin with, was because of this demand zone. We came up really nicely.
To do the same shit.
And then the other thing too, you got to think about is we came down really aggressively, right? So basically, I've said this before, the market made an aggressive move to the upside. We were in the uptrend, right? Now, I'll be honest with y'all, I didn't think we were going to come back down here. I was like, ain't no way in hell we pulling all the way back down. But when we did, and we did super aggressively, I was like, and this is the time to get long. Because think about it. Yeah. And you know what?
Hell of aggressive. But...
you know what, Jonah? The funny thing is this is the time where I normally bitch up. And I don't take the long. But not today. But the thing is whenever we come down aggressive like this and the market just can't break this low here, that's a good sign that sellers are going to get trapped and that they're off sides. And then you add the context that we're in an uptrend, right? It's a pretty high quality trade to try to long the market here. If I would have been wrong, I'd have been perfectly fine with that, right? So the market comes back up. Now we fail to break the high. So now we're truly range bound, right? In between the high and the lows. So when we come back down here, like Hobbs is saying, you can look for the market to potentially bounce again off of, 302, 303. But if you notice this time, first off, we came back down a lot slower and we came back up a lot slower as well. Like the first time it took us 10 minutes to come back up here. The next time it took us like 30 minutes to come back up here. So now we're taking 15 minutes, 20, 30 minutes to come back down. So, the volatility is getting a little bit lower as we continue on the day. So, just knowing that.
Yeah, no doubt. I'm sorry. I'm trying to get through these comments here.
No, you're good. I know we got far behind.
These days,
y'all been chatty today, which I like.
Did it for a season. Yeah. People don't want to be educated and learn to trade these days, and that piece pisses me off a lot. Yeah, for real. 5 minis is outrageous. Yeah. Bud didn't know any better though. He didn't know a lot, but he knows now. Haven't had a loss since I joined last week, but I'm doing my part, attending minis with so much information. Yeah, and those losses are going to come. But even when you won, right, we were giving feedback on the trade, right? Trading Yoga Girl. When you won yesterday, I said that was a win, and I'm glad you managed it properly. But let me show you why you shouldn't be participating this high long, right? I thought it was $40 a week. No, it's $15 a week. It's $40 a month. Incredible value in Discord. Sincerely new. Thanks again, gentlemen. No problem, brother. No problem. I'm like, damn. Yeah, it looks like we're continuing to sell. See if we take these lows. Drop it like it's hot. The crucial. Peace party people. All right, John. Nah, he's like he just left. But he's like $200 away, $200 or $300. He just made 300, which is another great day. Another great day. Yeah, we both did. I'm glad we both took profits. I like longs right here though. As long as you make money, your strat work. Yep. Look at this dump. Yeah. We're just in a new range now, right? Like we just came from a range, the market ripped up, and now we're back in a range. Like we couldn't even uptrend for a little bit without going right back in the range. Total trading range. Okay, we talked about that. Remember I said above 8:30 and 12 a.m. open is a strong premium. Look at this. Yeah, I would agree with that. And again, one thing I've learned about like with talking to ICT traders and like understanding how it relates to how I trade is premium is just supply, right? The only thing that I learned new, in my opinion, was macro time. And I agree 100%. Like when you understand macro time, however you use it, when you understand it with the way you trade, it can be really powerful, 100%. Babe, you're unmuted. Yeah. I don't know what they're doing different. Like they'll be muted the whole time and then they won't be muted. I'll be like, interesting. Let me see if Michelle's ready to be server unmuted. Absolutely not. Okay, all right. Absolutely not. Can I go over ES real quick? Yeah, I can. Give me a second. 18301, get out. Yep, I'd agree. I'd say that's the area where you want to probably leave. Don't diddle in the middle. You tell them, Micaiah. Don't you diddle in the middle. If it goes under 301, look for loans. Yep, I agree. Okay, no trades yet. Okay, got it. Thank you. Very helpful. Okay, you got it. Crack it. The lesson yesterday definitely has me cautious. I prefer that because I know me. Yeah, you shouldn't be cautious. Your trade should be planned before price gets there. And then you should be analyzing that trade idea before price even comes there, right? Like I know where I want to trade before price even gets there, right? So when I get there, at that point, it's just up to how I'm going to execute the entry, right? So that's why you'll hear me say like, hey, if we come back down here, then I'm looking to get long. If we come back up here, then I'm looking to get short, right? So I don't know what Justin's doing on screen right now. You're muted, bro. I don't know how long you've been muted either.
Oh, that's why you couldn't hear me. I was like, don't server meter, don't unserver meter. I just checked, it's still going. But,
oh no. I just looked on the screen and saw you were muted in here. So
I did. I did mute myself. I forgot because I got up. Yeah, these longs are looking good again, bro. But I want to see us come back down and retest and put it at a lower high real fast.
I already got back in. I'm in at 313. I'm back in at 313.50. Mr. Pot Scraper says, don't chase the drop. Think of it like a bus. Wait for the next opportunity. I've given that analogy as well. I like that one. And both these guys went over the trades not once but twice. So good, high quality education. Hey, thanks, Trading Girl. I promise you guys, we're not paying her to say this. We're not. Watch 301 closely. Yeah, I'm in at 313.50. I was watching this area. I already knew where I wanted to participate in price. It's a matter of, are we going to push out of here or not? Won't be surprised if we drop to 270. Damn. Skip over Mr. Pot. I'm going to skip over his comments. Yeah, he's so bearish.
Is that spot scrapers?
I don't want us to come off.
He got to be right. He's the indicator. He's the one that lets us all know what's actually going on in this market. So he got to be right.
Mr. Pie Scraper says he's paper trading with 20 minis, practicing for when I have a larger account, currently up 18K. Damn, 20 minis is wild. Yeah, no, I mean, maybe not on NQ, but definitely on ES. I'm gonna try a long here. Okay, missed my long entrance. Okay, then you sit on your hands and wait. You know what I mean? Nah, you ain't. He said, "Don't diddle in the middle."
Well, now this is a good area for you.
Well, no. Right now we're not at the middle though. We're at the bottom of the range.
Yeah, no, this is a good area for longs.
Yeah, we're definitely at the bottom of the range. This is the previous support from yesterday on ES and NQ. So this is used to be resistance, and now it's looking like it's setting up to be support. And if you look at the 5 minute and you just look to the left, this is where we took off from and put in a new high after putting in the new high at 10 o'clock. So I'm looking for us to now go back up and take the ultimate high. And then I'll look to get out at 473 again. Damn it. I'm going to get that fucking 473 before it's over, bro.
Yeah.
I'm getting 473 before the day's over, bro. I'm going to get that fucking trade. And his little dog, too. Yeah, you're right. I might get this wrong. Because we're just, every time we tap a new supply zone, we just go back into a range. Every single time. So. Mr. Perma Bear, Mr. Pot Scrapers, we're gonna change your name to Mr. Perma Bear, or Mr. Indicator. That's funny.
We might need to tweak your indicator a little bit though. You might need to make some repairs to it.
Yeah, facts. This candle in a 5 minute looks good. I just want to see if
I
got in at 31350. Stops at the bottom of that wick. Risking about $63. Try to make 1,000. You know, risk to reward and all.
$63? What are you in? You risking like
risking about $63 to kind of make 1,000. You know how it is. Y'all know how it is over here.
Good Lord.
You got I trade what I see, boy, but I'm a bear at heart. Yeah, no, I feel you, bro. I trade what I see too, but I'm a bull at heart. But for the most part, I like to see the market go up because the market always go up. Baby, we always in the uptrend, baby. We always in the uptrend. And so, why not be a bull, baby? I ain't scared to admit it. I ain't scared. And this is my entry here, guys. My risk is $63. I was not bullshitting. And my target is 473. So I'm risking $63 to try to make 1,000. Just so y'all know. I'm not joking at all. No cap. We'll see what happens though.
What's your target?
I showed you already. My target's 473, but
I'm over here. I thought you sized up. I'm like, he over here. He sized way the hell up.
3 micros.
Oh my god!
It's an egregious target. It's 150 points.
Yeah, egregious is the right word.
Yeah.
Nah. Pippi over here like, yep, we going there.
No, Pippi agrees with my targets. He just don't think we're gonna get him on certain days. He'd be like, what's your TV? You know? Did he call me? So you hit that TV, motherfucker. You can read the chart. You know that I ain't hit that TP. You can read the fucking chart. So he'd be like, yo, Hobbs, so where'd you get out? Like, shut up. I got out when I saw danger. So you think I'm gonna do here? When I see danger, I'm getting out. When I see something that disagrees with what I want, I'm out of here. For instance, if we don't break 327.50, that's danger. Right? Like that's danger. That's very dangerous. So what do I need to stay for when I can just get the fuck out? The market's been so choppy that I'm okay with running, right? Like when the market's not in this, nice, beautiful trend, like I'm giving too much money back to this market, trying to be on some whole shit, bro. Like fuck that, man. I'm getting out and protecting my capital. Period. See, that's what I want to see. I want to see the market get above 327.50. If we can get up there and push, that's not dangerous anymore. Uh-oh. We are at a beautiful discount on this new range. Long are not a bad idea. Yeah, no, I think we're in an uptrend. We're still in this uptrend. It's an ugly ass uptrend, filled with a bunch of ranges, but we're making higher highs and higher lows. Like at the very simplistic, at the most, yeah, yeah, you're right. I don't trust it. I don't like it. I don't like it. I don't like it. See, and now we're rejecting 27 again, right? So now, if we come back down here now, this time, let's see on the 1 minute if we broke structure. Did we change character on the 1 minute? No, we did not. See, now we're in trouble, right? I'm not in trouble, but now I'm sitting here like, all right, we changed. Oh no, we did change character. We got above 321 on the 1 minute. So now I'm going to break even, because if it drops lower than where I entered, I'm just going to get back in, because fuck them. That's why. Fuck them, bro. Like, if you ain't gonna do what I want you to do, then forget it. All right, that's a good recovery there. No. I'm not. If I was in the Apex account, I would have been already funded. I only need like 30. I only need like 40 points. Well, 60 points. So no, I wouldn't have been funded. No, I would have been funded. I would trade a mini at least over there. So I only need 30 points. I'm 600 points away, $600 away. All right, this aggressive selling coming into the market here. You don't want to see this break right here. You want to see bulls defend this area right here. And they're failing again. A goddamn 1, 2, 3, 4 quintuple top up there. Hopefully the market wants to go back up there and get that liquidity. That's what I'm hoping for. Where? Might just be your computer, sir. I don't see it.
Oh no, it's your computer. It's your computer.
Oh, is it like a hazard sign or something like that? Because it comes up on Discord sometimes.
Yeah, it's from Discord. It's from Discord.
Okay. Gotcha. Oh shit. I unserver muted her. I was trying to unserver mute my wife. My bad. All right, there we go. Sorry. I was trying to unserver mute my wife, but I think I did already. Or Justin did.
No, I didn't unserver mute. Nobody.
Oh, okay. All right, let's see if the bulls can continue to push this back up. 18,343, not a bad idea there too. Yeah, we're just range bounding, right? Like, the market's in a downtrend now, right? We're failing to get above these highs. Like, I might just take this little $30, call it a day. Doesn't want to fucking go. I'm locking in $10. Fuck up. Give me this $15. Give me this 15. Give me this. Yeah, I locked in. First of all, get it right. I locked in $15. Give me my $15. I know. Right after I was like, nah, 15. Give me that. All right, we're still in the trade though. I just really like the 5 minute wick, man. It just came in so nice. I want to put my stop behind there, but I also don't want to incur a loss on this trade. The dilemmas of a trader. To accept the loss or not accept the loss. It's $57. And it may mean nothing to you, but it means something to me, okay? I want all my ducats. You said, man, $57, huh? You damn right. Watch out, NVIDIA. Hold on, let's see. What's NVIDIA doing? Damn, NVIDIA's at previous day high, looking like it wants to reject. And Microsoft is coming down. 330, they're adding a lot of liquidity up there. Still like it.
Yeah, well, yeah, this is interesting to say the least.
It's ugly, is what it is.
No, yeah, that too.
Give my $15, man. Give me shit. Come on. Bro, how you gonna be in an uptrend and a downtrend in the same day? This market, bro. This market crazy, bro. All right. Locked in about $15 right there. Maybe I should have just went with the short position because the 15-minute candle looks like a drop-based drop here.
Yeah.
Like we might start the trade a little much lower.
Yeah, I did end up getting short. I didn't want to say nothing because I'm really
Justin.
scared.
I know, Justin. I know you faded me a long time ago. I was like, I already know Justin is in the short position. He just be like, every time I take a position, Justin, It
was really risky, though. It was risky. I'm not going to lie. This was a risky short.
You know what? I don't like how this trade, so I'm going to just fade him. It's got to go one way or the other, right?
Well, my finger was on the trigger. My finger's still on the trigger because this could be the lower high being put in right. Oh, yep. Nope. I'm out.
I still like
this is the lower high being put in.
Nah, just to stay in them fucking shorts.
Yeah. Nope. Nope. That was the lower high right there. And that's what I was afraid of.
You should be afraid. Maybe
I should have went to break even. But if we,
you should have said shit.
I know I shouldn't have. But if we break above this candle right here on the 1 minute, I'm getting it long because I really did like the longs, but I like the shorts.
Oh, that's right. It says Wing It Tuesday.
It is. Damn. With defense, I should have stayed in short.
I took my profits.
I took my profits too. A whole. How much did I make off that? A whole. Hey, you got $15. I got $15 too, bro.
Good. Then you took your profits too. You got up out of there.
Yeah, I like what I'm. Actually, no, I do like what I'm seeing on these longs potentially, though.
Nah, man, take the shorts, bro. Take the shorts at the low after we just talked about our trading ranges.
Nah, I said it was risky. I said it was risky. Damn it! I knew what I was doing.
You just gave a whole class about trading ranges.
I know, but I saw an opportunity.
Yeah, I'm in short right here. What?
I saw the opportunity and I took it. But I do like the.
You saw the tape speed up and you failed for the inducement. Is what you did.
No. I got in on the consolidation up there. I got in at the consolidation. I was like, yeah, but. I do like the potential longs here though coming in.
Nah, man, go short, bro. Short the low of this consolidation again. So you want the market slap your hand. Get your ass out that damn cookie jar. Get your ass down. All right, we're inside of this 1150 1210 macro. I used to really like this macro until we started consolidating, and now I don't really like it as much because we don't do shit all day. Just sit here and build more value. Right? We already know what the market's doing now at this point. Yeah, fuck that 1150 1210 macro. I really love that macro too. I hate talking about it like that, but that's how I feel today. Yeah, he fucked up the whole macro.
He said, "I'm really fucking up today."
He said, to be honest, Powell fucks up shit, bro. He fucked up the whole macro, bro. It's just the Powell day. And then tomorrow we got CPI, so that's the one that's gonna be the banger. I'm getting hungry now. My dog done toe up flip-flops and fucking hats and shit. My wife gonna be mad when she come home. And even my wife, my youngest son will be like, "Daddy, what the? You had one job, bro. You had one job." Bro, if EQ is this choppy, yeah.
Huh? Nah, I'm in long.
No, I'm not shorting this low. You better be looking at these loans down here. You better not be short down here. Well, yep, I agree with Jonah. It's like I hate the idea, but it's the right thing to do. Nope. You know what you're doing. Yeah, you know what you're doing. He said, "You see about this. You know what the fuck you're doing. I'm not even gonna tell you." that you know your ass supposed to be. Yeah, you know your ass supposed to be fucking short. I mean, long right now. You talking about, yeah, y'all want to get these shorts? No, we don't want to get in these shorts. Yes,
Let
sir.
me blow in the
Aye, as my youngest son would say, aye, Captain, sir.
Aye, Captain, sir.
Yeah,
What?
he loves SpongeBob, so that's what he says when I tell him to do something. He'd be like, aye, Captain, sir. He's like, dude, you gotta chill.
Yeah, I'm in long. I'm in long at 18.25.
Ooh.
I'm trying to get. I need $150 more dollars.
1875, baby.
Nah, I need.
Justin said, I'm not leaving today without getting this account funded.
252. I'm trying my best, bro. I'm trying.
Size up, motherfucker. Take
I'm
you only need 15 points. Yeah, size up to a mini, baby. Let's go.
Nah, I ain't sizing up to a mini. I'm in 3 cons, but all I need is 52.
Nvidia ain't big dog no more today. Oh, y'all still talking? Locked in $20? Yeah, I was the same way. I was like, give my $15. I'm so sick of y'all. If you longer this, watch out for 343. Yeah, that's previous day high too, ain't it? Or close to it. Yeah, previous day high is that. I mean, 343 is that area. But remember that high at 343 through roughly about 359 is a weak high because it didn't bring us a new low, right? So that's why I'm taking the longs to go ahead and take out that high and start trading above 372. Potentially get in this 400 range today. We'll see. Pot Scraper says CPI, PPI, CGI. I'm sleeping through it all. I know, right? Yo, we ain't moving nothing
like
today,
that.
bro. I'm scalping shorts until Nvidia pops over the bearish trend line. Yeah, I'm not mad at that idea. If you long in this, keep your eye on 343. You wrote that like 4 times. 18344 for me, bro. This guy. Yeah, I mean, like I said, 343. I see it, right? I see the structure, but again, to validate a high, you need to put in you need to put a low in, right? We need to take out a low, and we haven't done that yet. So that's why I'm more thinking that I'm thinking more that we're gonna take out that high. So we'll see what happens. I'm rooting more so for Justin than myself. I'm not in the account that can get funded. I'm in my Top Step X. I'm back in my Top Step X account. Yeah, me too. I just want him to get it. Hey. Hurry up. It takes a while with 3 micros, man. Is Chicago out of the kiddo?
I'd be done with this trade if I was in a mini.
If you was in 6 micros, you'd be done with the trade.
Facts.
You just doubled the size, you'd be done with the trade.
You right.
No, he is not out of his kennel. He has been placed in his kennel until further notice because he ate Dre's flip-flops and started chewing on his hat right in my office. Like he went and got it out of his room and then brought it in the office and started munching on it, babe. So no, he is not out of his kennel. He did poop though. I took him out to go poop. It calls a nasty reversal. Mr. Potts, you've said this 4 times already. I think 5.
I'm waiting for him to go back in his tub, bro.
We get it. 343 could cause a nasty reversal. I'm marking it on my chart as nasty reversal could happen. Got it?
Oh my god. That's funny.
All right, sir. Hey, man,
good job, bro.
Keep kicking ass, bro. Keep keeping ass. Hey, man. Hey, stop fading it. Stop fading the game, bro. You know we keep you on point. We may fuck with you a lot, but we keep you on point, baby. We appreciate you, brother. Stop by anytime. You already know. We got your back. All right, man. Okay, brother. Take it easy.
All right, bro. Peace.
Just a micro scalp, $400. Nice.
I'm about $34 on this trade. I'm hoping that we can't push up out of here though. The tape is looking good to potentially push up out of here with this consolidation that we're getting.
I hate New York. Y'all all in New York.
Maybe not though.
Yo, what? Man, just leave this area, please, Market.
Right?
Just stop playing with him and just leave, bro. Failure. Every time. Failure. So 122, not bad. Wasn't confident to stay long. I'm mentally tired with this price action. Yeah, it's draining, no doubt. No doubt about it. It's definitely draining.
All right. Let this pullback be able to pull back to go higher. We just broke that high.
I'm surfing Twitter at this point. It's trading gonna be what it is gonna be. Stop loss or take profit, baby. Go.
Yeah, this is not
That
right
motherfucker
now.
Pip. I told you. Did I tell you I know how Pip trade? I said this motherfucker Pip. If he was gonna get long, he was gonna be long down there at 180 or 200. I just saw his Twitter post. He got long at 214. He got out at 263. Remember when we was in that long? I said Pip's already out of this long. I said where we're getting in the short, Pip's getting out right here. Sure as shit. I look on the Twitter, he got out at 263. I said, this son of a bitch. I know this motherfucker like the back of my hand, bro. I was like, yeah, that's a Pip entry right there. 100%. Good trade, Pip.
All right, Marky, go ahead and take off. Go ahead, take off now. Oh, he back. He in here.
What you say, Pip? Oh, yeah. I was trying to do something while I'm in this trade that I'm not going to sell. And I decided to surf Twitter. And first thing that popped up on my Twitter was your easy money. I was like, fucking Pip. I was like, he was waiting for that candle to drop. He was like, yeah, come to daddy. Come to daddy. I saw that drop. I said, Pip's buying this candle 100%. Buying this candle. Hell yeah.
10 contract guillotine. Oh my God.
Some medieval shit. He said it should have been a 10 contract guillotine right there. Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Bro, instantly.
Oh my God. Sorry.
Nah, that's it. Me and Justin was in here watching that shit. We was like, damn. We saw the dump, which none of us predicted. We were like, probably gonna go long from here. That shit dropped. We was like, oh shit. And then it just started buying. I was like, this thing's about to come up heavy. Took set 275 done for the day. Good job, man. Good job, Hayes. Good job. 320 was a good long area for those who missed the first entry. Yeah, 320 is now holding.
I'm not liking this price action right here, so I'm securing a little bit of profit. Probably gonna get out because this. I think there we go. I'm out. We're gonna. I think we may dump from here. I don't like how we're holding this.
Yeah. Good. We're definitely not breaking back above that high at 333. So we'll see what happens. See what happens at these lows right here.
No, I don't like it.
Price action is trash right in this area for sure. And ES ain't giving us no type of indication to do nothing. I'm holding though. Damn, AMC, what the fuck? Sit down at $7. Time to buy. Time to buy. Almost time. No. I'm looking to participate in the meme stock craze right now, but I don't necessarily follow stocks like that unless it's the Mag 7. I'm an options trader, bro. I don't give a fuck about investment. Get my money fucking right now. I don't want to wait to see what you're gonna do. I want my money now. Yo, fires. What the fuck? Can y'all chill the fuck out? Yeah,
Nah, shorting was probably the right move right there based off of the tape. That's why I went to break even because I was like, I don't like what I'm seeing up here at these highs.
Shorts.
These buyers are not giving me anything. They're not giving me any hope right now.
See if we hold 305.
I think the market's about to go lower.
Yeah, you gave all that profit back, motherfucker. No, he didn't short the news. He shorted the pullback, which was a great trade. He just held it too long. You know, in true Valdez fashion.
In true Valdez fashion.
He came back all 50 fucking points. He was up. Yeah.
Yeah, I don't know what the market's trying to do. It's giving like some hella mixed signals.
Where's your stop at, Valdez? 332? Damn! Well, shit, never mind. Shit.
15 points.
Hey, look, never mind. Let me figure out where my stop's at. Let me get the fuck out of this trade. My man said, well, shit, I got in at 30. Well, shit. Shit. Motherfucker got the top. The fucking top.
Yeah, I think I might be. I think I may be calling it a day on this account. I only need $200 more. I think.
Bro, just finish it off if you see an opportunity.
Yeah, I'm not seeing no opportunities. I'm chilling.
Yesterday, you sat and watched the market all day long.
Nah, I lost my ass off. Yes, well, I didn't lose my ass off yesterday, but I lost like $6.
I'm saying you sat and watched the market when the market literally wasn't moving. Now the volatility's in, you got to win, and you're ready to like pack it up. Or like this is your opportunity to, you know, potentially wait for another setup. That's all. Yeah.
Nah, I know. I capitalized on it. I mean, I guess would be the only thing now to do is try to long the market back up if we get back into this 303. I just don't like this. We're in a wedge right now. I don't want to trade in this if we're not going to break out of it.
You know what Top Step X doesn't have? They don't have the I fucked up button, like the undo button that TradingView has. Like when you lose something or you put something on, they don't have an undo button. I just realized that.
What do you mean the undo button?
Yeah, the little reverse button in the top next to replay.
They do have reverse. It's right. They have the reverse position. It's right to undersell.
Justin, not position. I'm talking about like when you're doing something on the chart, like you draw a line on the chart, you don't want it there. It says you just hit the undo button next to the replay button on the TradingView.
Oh, gotcha.
Why would I ever know? Why would I ever care about reverse position? I'm never doing that. If I'm wrong, I'm just gonna get out. I'm not reversing my position ever. Not me. That's true. That's true. That's one way to look at it. I agree. Facts. More selling coming into this market down here at these lows. They're not taking out any levels here. Oh, no, that's not good. Yeah, they're definitely trying. Fucking CBD is just flat.
I ain't never seen this before. Like, we literally just chilling at this low.
Yeah, CBD is completely flat.
Yeah, large seller just hit the tape right there. Well, not even that large. It's like 20 orders, 29 orders.
I don't know. I don't think they want to sell. I think they want to continue to absorb these sellers and then go back up. That's what it looks like. we're fucking around and go back up. That's what I think. We keep dipping lower into price. The buyers aren't stepping up yet. So
here come the sellers.
Well, the buyers aren't stepping up though. So like 305 looks good to hold some liquidity, but I'm out of this thing. I'm out. Little 8 point loss right there. If they recover right here though, I think this is a better entry. I just don't see the buyers. I mean, I see the selling coming, but I don't see them really accomplishing much. I want to see them really take this level out if they're going to take it. ES is definitely trying to take it out. What you say, babe? Oh, I thought I heard my wife.
I think you did.
Oh, I did. Yeah, she probably unmuted again. Yeah, we still need to. Yep, yeah, there goes the selling there. All right, this is the level that I'm very curious about. 305 is what I'm interested in. Let's see if we just flush right through it. A lot of selling coming in, not much buying coming in at all. They're not buying, but they're not. But the sellers are unable. Babe, you're hot micing. Let me mute her.
That's a good candle for sellers. Okay. This might not be a good candle though.
I want to see them take that liquidity and see what happens.
Well, they just let that liquidity go. I'm long. Hopefully this will continue to push. Hopefully I didn't get picked out right here. Uh-oh. Yeah, I think it did.
Can't wait for that retest.
Yeah, I think I'm about to sweep all of this. I might just cut this a little early.
Buyers are just not looking strong down here at all. I really want to get long, but I'm trying to wait to see if this thing. 305 looks really good, but they just continue to push price down. So
yeah, I think they might. I don't know. Yeah, here they come.
yeah, they went lower. Again, they're doing it
Must
on
be the
such
friend
low
here.
volatility, bro. Are we about to go right back down to yesterday's low, bro? Like, what the fuck? We're so close. Yesterday's low, like nothing happened, bro. Like, jeez. Like, goodness gracious. Look at the 15-minute, bro. It looks bearish as hell. Or you try to long this shit again. 15-minute looks like continuation. But then next thing you know, they come out of nowhere and buy this shit back up all the way back to the top. You be like, bro, what the hell happened at the low? What just happened? Yep. Here they come. Here they come. comes the buying. Mm-hmm. Yeah, I think longs. Longs is the area to get long. It's just like, God damn, can we buy out of here though? That's the only thing. There's no continuation.
Yeah.
There's more consolidation. I'm just gonna sit on my hands. I'm not putting another trade on in this area. I think I know what the price wants to do, but oh, we gotta get the fuck off YouTube. We didn't even look at it. I'm the indicator. Wait for the sweep, Justin. Yeah, 300K with Apex. Good job. My skin is my sin. Started up a 300K account today, up 14K on the eval. I think I'm done for now. Let's sweep the low and go long for a close. Tomorrow going to be the same thing. Control Z, my man. What's Control Z?
I don't know, but I think I'm about to get up out of this trade for a small loss because we were just not.
You back in long?
Yeah, I got it long. I never got stopped out.
Oh, I thought you said you got out because you didn't like it. My bad.
No. We pushed up, but we just failed there.
I just don't like the price action. I want to take the market long with you. I don't like the price action. And I definitely don't like this 15-minute candle. If this 15-minute candle closes bearish like this, it's going to be ugly. But I do like the consolidation at 307. That's what makes me want to continue to try to long the market. But we also could sweep before we go back up. I don't fucking know. We swept this area like 4 times already. So he actually made 5K today. How much you lose today, Justin?
How much did I lose? Nothing.
Yeah, what does that even mean? He really ain't taking no losses already. I will initiate again at 1:30. Yeah, we're familiar with the macros as well. I don't know, guys. That feels like a day. It's unless you want to stay on, Jay.
No, we can get off.
Okay. Calling it a day. Cheers, Jen. Yeah. Control Z is undo on Trading View. Oh, you saying on Top Step X is Control Z? I'm not pressing. Done for today. Catch y'all tomorrow. And be put in the head on the 5-minute. I expect a bounce from the right shoulder later today. Yeah, I like NVIDIA. Like just following that is usually the right thing to do. Microsoft is selling down. NVIDIA is just not moving. I think the market wants to go back up, but I think it'll do it after lunch. So I'll be looking for the PM session. Maybe we sweep this low or we go up so Justin can get paid. But I think we may sweep this low before we go down. Before we go back up. So I'm just going to avoid this area altogether until we show more promise down here. This looks extremely uncomfortable. When I say uncomfortable, it looks more like a short, and I'm trying to mentally focus on it being a long, right? Therefore, it's just uncomfortable for me to watch because it's going in the wrong direction. All right. So anyway, ladies and gentlemen, that's all we have. Please make sure you tip the barbers. Do all the things I said in the beginning. I'm not going to go through my entire spiel again. I'm just going to say thank you guys. Been awesome. Love communicating with you guys every single day. And that's pretty much all we got. Jay, what you got?
Nothing, y'all. Have a good day. Hopefully pray for this trade working out. I'm still in it. So, maybe this thing might push, but we'll catch you guys tomorrow.
All right, ladies and gents, y'all have a good day, man. We check it out tomorrow. CPI day. Don't blow your account in Tokyo and London. Wait for CPI. Don't take trades. I'm just kidding. Do whatever you want. Have a good day, man. Peace.